Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, what a morning it is this morning, the day after, the day before, the night before, the morning after. You know what I'm saying. Okay, let's get straight into the show. And we have a big question this morning for Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson. We have a question, and we're going to put it to you shortly on the show. First of all, let's look at my portfolio. Hardly down at all today. It's fine. The overall Roth IRA, hardly down. My 66,000 is only 1,300 off. That's because of Virgin Galactic, but everything else is fine. My portfolio is solid, hardly moved at all. So if Virgin Galactic comes back, which it will, then my portfolio will break new all-time highs again. It'll break $70,000. Right, let's get straight into it. We've got a lot of news to discuss today, and we have a suggestion, an idea, and we're going to put it to everybody today. And we will discuss that in a minute. If you've just tuned in for the very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you are here, and that would be great. Tap the like button, be part of the main show. All right? Okay, let's get straight into it. Let's see who's here first. We've got, good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. Hi, Martin. Hi, Dominic. Says Mike, morning, all legends. Jason Fallon from Australia. Lovely stuff. Good morning, Octavio. Good morning, hardest working man. Thank you very much indeed. Paras22. Hi everyone. Stir Fry Rambo. First time watching live, but I've been following the channel for a couple of weeks. Stir Fry Rambo, welcome to the show. It's lovely to have you here. Welcome to the family. 98% of our live viewers are members. It's the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Why? Because they get 20 times back what they put in. That's my promise to you, and that's why everyone here is a member. Consider becoming a member and be showered with gifts and services. I want to be known as the best, most honest, real person on YouTube TV. I'm not a YouTuber. I was voted as the world piano man, and I've toured 195 countries in person, putting on concerts and theaters all over the world. And now I'm here to bring an investment channel and a support channel to the world. We have members in 7 countries now? Let me just look. 46 countries, which is phenomenal. There you go. All right, welcome to you, Dream Card World. Hi, Martin. Hello, how you doing, Dream Card? Love to have you here. Hardest working man for Virgin Galactic. Aha, that's what he said. That's what he meant. Hi, Rambo. Hi, Bill. Jason. I sell RVs. Good morning. You sell RVs. I'd love to promote your business if you'd like me to. If you become a silver member, I put you on the homepage of the channel and get everyone to follow you and subscribe to you. You can even run a competition where I will promote what you're doing. More than happy to do that. I do it for all my members. Matthew Kelly, good morning. And Fathala Hamza, good morning to you. What a great crowd we have here this morning. Right, we've got a Virgin Galactic idea this morning. We changed policy last time. We're thinking of doing it again. Let's discuss it. Virgin Galactic. 189, Palantir, down, going up, gold, going up, S&P, down, Amazon, down but pushing up, Apple, going up today, NEE, I'm only 11% away now, Enphase, we're now at 108, I'm not showing you the numbers, sorry about that, Enphase, 108, Coca-Cola, down slightly, I'm up 6% now, J&J had a massive pump this morning. We've just got a new member. Stir Fry
Rambo has become a member.
Stir Fry Rambo has just become a member. Right, where are you from? Where are you from in the world? Lovely to see you. Where are you from? What country are you from? Would everybody please welcome in Stir Fry? We got a silver member. A silver member gets everything that... hang on a minute. Sensei just deleted. Oh, hang on. I'm confused. What's going on? Sensei just deleted our silver member. What's up there? What's going on? Have I missed something this morning? Sensei, do you want to come back to me? What's going on here? Screen isn't changing. Oops. What have we got here? Hang on a minute. I think that was a mistake. Oh, it was a mistake. No worries. It was a mistake. We got a new member. Can you come back to me? That was not meant to happen. That was a mistake. It was an error. I got a new member. I don't know who it was. Stir Fry Rambo became a member of the channel. Stir Fry, that was a mistake. Didn't mean to do that. So Stir Fry Rambo, would you come back to me, please? That was an error. One of my moderators and partners on the show didn't mean to delete you. That was just an error. Stir Fry Rambo, just come back. Martyn Racer
has become a member.
Also become a member. So this is wonderful. So it's fine. He is still. Yes, I just want him to come back and say hello in the chat because I want to welcome him in. So that was Stir Fry. Let me just give him a welcome. And we got Martini Racer. So Stir Fry. Let me welcome him in. Welcome, Stir. Everybody welcome him in. That was some welcome. Get out again. All right. Here we go. All right, there we go. I've given Stir Fry a welcome. And we've got, I'll give you all your perks in a minute. And Martini as well. So let's welcome Martini Racer. He gets perks as well. Welcome. Okay. And what country are you from? There you go. No one beats me on the copy pasting. No one. Okay, what country are you from? Let me just go down here. Sensei, Ohio. He's from Ohio. Wonderful. Welcome to Ohio. Lovely to have you here in the United States. Welcome, Stir Fry, John Grandforce. Sensei's been hacked. Stir Fry got cancelled. Yeah, it was a mistake. He didn't mean to do it. It's all good. Well, what's going on? Did I miss a login? And Sensei is saying sell all. Yes, Sensei is saying sell all. That's what he's saying. Welcome in Martini. Welcome Stir Fry and Martini. Haha, thanks. Oh, he's back now. He's back. He's fine. Good morning, all. Where's the Sensei? So the next support level for Virgin Galactic. We got some big news for Virgin Galactic this morning. So what we're going to do now is just before we move on, I'm just going to let you know what's happening this morning. We have a big plan for Virgin Galactic, bigger than the last plan. And I'm going to put it to you today whether we should do it. That's the first thing. So we are looking at doing that this morning. Okay, that's the first thing I'm doing. But also, before we start the Virgin Galactic project, which I'm going to talk to you about in a minute, I want to, first of all, welcome our 2 new members. Now, we've got 2 new members this morning. We've got Martini and Stir Fry. Now, you guys, you've got a badge to recognize you as a member. If you are silver, like Stir Fry, and you'd like a 20-minute fundraiser gig, you can have one. Nice mug, says Sensei. Thought you'd like that. Yeah, very proud and happy to drink out of your mug. They are, Sensei. Thank you very much indeed. What was I going to say? Yes, you've got yes, if you want to go on the homepage of the YouTube channel, Stir Fry, because you are a silver member, you have to request it. I don't do it automatically. You have to request it if you would like that service. All right. I will do that for you. Colombia, we do not have a member from Colombia. Dream World X World, if you become a member, You will be the 47th country to be represented and will fly the flag forever for Colombia. We do not have a member in Colombia. You'll be the person that owns the flag for Colombia if you become a member today. Anyway, so those of you that just got membership, first of all, you'll be recognized with a badge so we all know you're a member, and you'll gain friends and support across the channel. The membership price will never go up, but the value of the service will. It's the best investment you'll ever make. The reason why people become a member is to support the live shows primarily. Because as a person who broadcasts on YouTube, and I repeat, I am not a YouTuber. I'm the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. I've entertained in person people all over the world. In fact, at 195 countries, which is, yes, the whole world. All right. So I'm building a real live audience. I'm not trying to sell videos. I'm not trying to get you to subscribe to me, even though I appreciate that you do. That's what I'm trying to do, build the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. And my members become members to support the live shows, because live shows don't make you any money. What makes you money is the videos that you put out. And I spend 90% of my time going live because I want to engage with a real live audience like it used to be when I was putting on concerts. So that's why people become a member, to support the live shows. They value the content, and we are a global audience and with the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube on planet Earth. That's official live viewers. 98% of our live viewers are members. That's a fact, okay? Now, in return for you doing that, I give you back 20 times at least. So I'm always partnering with great services and then getting you the best deal. One of those things when I talk to Alpha Spread, when I talk to Sensei and others, I always say I can only be in partnership with you if you give my members the best deal there is, better than anyone. That's straight off the bat the first thing I say. And if they say no, I don't partner with them. And I've had several people say, I can't give you a better deal than somebody else. Meet Kevin, for example. I had a couple crypto projects. I said, I'm sorry, I can't do it then, because my show provides the best service for my members. So I turn it down. So you get all the best perks. Now, also, as a member, you get exclusive live content. There's shows that only live members see. There's only members only videos. If you look on the homepage of the channel, look, there's all these members only videos that only members get to see. Members only live streams. Members information videos sometimes go out for the members before the general public. So if it's really important news about a stock movement, I like to let my members know first, and then a few hours later, I let the general public know. That's another thing. I will reply to all your comments very often with a video made for you on YouTube. If you sign up for my newsletter, you can get a birthday card, many other perks as well. Let me just show you my newsletter. I don't send it out all the time, just on important events. And what have you. Let me give you the link to my website, martynlucas.com. Remember, all the links are below all my videos anyway. There it is. All the links are here for all my social media. Members, I will engage with you on all of your social media. I will answer all your questions on Instagram, stock twits, Facebook, you name it. There's all the free stocks, things you can get free. Look, Robinhood free stocks, Alpha Spread, you can get a lifetime discount, which makes my membership free. The list goes on and on and on and on. There's loads of perks and benefits that you get as a member. Okay. If you want to see my trades before I make them, here is my X account, formerly Twitter, of course. When I post, I tell you what I'm buying before I'm buying and before I'm selling, and I'll engage and I'll answer everyone's questions that is a member. All right, let me just see if I've got any notifications this morning. Go, go, go. Here's Mike. Mike's one of my members, and yes, he gets that every morning, helping his channel grow and be part of it. All right. Okay, Bill, our Santa Rally has just gifted 5 memberships. Remember, gifted memberships aren't full memberships like those that have bought their memberships. They don't give you as many things as the paid members. But Sora has just become a member. Let me carry on with this just a moment. Let me just bring in the happy music. There we go. Sora has just become a member. What else have we got there? Let's have a quick look. We have another member just popped in. Khalil has become a member. These are free memberships, but they are not full memberships. I cannot upgrade you on Discord, for example, until you renew next month. What else do we have? I think we have another one. Bill gave away 5 this morning. N Light, look at that. Fantastic. Welcome. Cheers to you. Congratulations on winning your mug by the winning by the way. We've got another one. Let's have a look. That's Inbound has just become a member. Again, we cannot upgrade you on Discord because you've not got a full membership. These are gifted memberships. They give you 99% of the perks. I think that's it. Make sure we covered all of those. Thank you, Bill, for that. Absolutely awesome. Now then, I was just coming back to you. So as a member, not only do you get the fundraiser gig if you want it on the homepage, if you request it as a silver member, exclusive content, exclusive videos, and all the rest of it. Let me just fix this a minute. I just need to amend this. Just bear with me. We also celebrate your birthday as well, live on the show. You can donate it to somebody if you prefer not to have it. We can do it live on the show. Live on the show, we'll celebrate your birthday the day before, the day of, or the day after, so you don't miss it because of the weekend. Live in the music studio behind me. I think that's... Oh, you can also do a poll in the audience, ask the audience a question, and you can also ask me to do a full review of a stock. A full review of a stock. Now, this is for paid members. If you've won a membership, you have to renew it. You have to renew that membership, okay? Very, very important. You have to renew it next month, then you can get all those benefits, all right? Okay. Does that make sense? Okay, hope that makes sense. Okay, now then, there's one final thing. I said you can request a full review, but also you get access to Discord if you are a paid member. Here is my Discord link. Everyone can access Discord, but I can only upgrade those that have renewed or paid for their memberships. There is the Discord link in the chat. If you go to Discord and you want to be part of the family, what you do is you go over to Discord. It does take 10 minutes to get through for the first time. Once you are through with security, then it's done. But it just protects our account. You will come into here. You will come into here on Discord. So I will say hi, Stir Fry. And also our other member was, let me just scroll up. We had Stir Fry and we had Martini. All right. When you guys come in here, I will upgrade your account and give you full YouTube membership benefits. All right. So let me add that there. Please do not accept any friend requests from anybody else that pretends to be me. And don't accept a friend request from anyone until you've become a member of mine so I can upgrade you and verify you so you don't get scammers and stuff like that. All right? Hi, Stir Fry and Martyn. So if you come in there, I will upgrade you in a few moments. It'll take 10 minutes for you to go through to start the process, and that would be great. I will leave that there. And then every morning you can go in the breakfast bar. You can join Mike, who never, ever misses. Look at this. Mike this morning, the Grinch. We got a bit of Santa Claus going on. Hope all goes well today. Thank you very much, Mike. Always does a great job. He's always here. Thank you, Mike, for everything that you do on the channel. Appreciate it. Let me give that a love and a like. There you go. You can come in there. You can also see the stock news, what's going on. You can also see the crypto news. All the members, again, they're all members. It's all genuine. It's all real information. There's no pumping and dumping. There's no false information. There's none of that. If anyone comes and tries to scam the channel, they get banned immediately. I have zero tolerance. If anyone literally does it once, tries to promote a scam or something like that, they are banned from the channel. We are the most honest channel and services on YouTube TV. Okay, no one can sponsor me to say or do anything. All right, unless I agree with it in the first place, obviously. Right. Okay. Let's get through the comments. Nice mug, says Sensei. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Sensei Crypto is a partner in our channel. Gives a great show every Sunday. Calls in live to the show. Takes part in it all the time. Richard Branson in Australia promoting cruises. Ha ha. Yes. Oh, hang on. Look at this. We've got a super chat from Sensei. It will come up in a second. Colombia, Dream Card X World. Become a member of our channel and you will be the first person to fly. Here we go.
I have sold all my stocks and have gone long on the VIX. Good luck all.
There you go. Sensei is out of the markets. He's sold everything. He's holding cash. And that's not a bad move. It's not the move for me, however, and I will explain and go through all my positions today. Good afternoon, Chris. Any trades? I added BT today. Chris, banked 8.5% on Hood. Hi, says Batari Kamala. I want to thank Batari. She's becoming one of my top fans. You don't realize. Actually, she's on Facebook, but she likes every single post, comments on every single post. She's competition for Mike. She's competition for Fight Channel, Jason Fallon. Batari Kamala is over on Facebook, but she watches everything. She likes everything. She comments on everything. A great support to the channel. Thank you, Batari Kamala, for everything that you do. Sora, please thank Bill. You received a membership this morning from Bill. He's a retired war veteran, and he's decided to invest in this channel and support everybody on it. That's what he's decided to do. So consider just thanking Bill. Very nice of him. N Light also got a membership from Bill. Kahil Salah also got a membership. Inbound also got a membership. Space will be interesting today. Definitely don't want to revisit the 150s. Hopefully we bottom out at 180 and move higher. Indeed, that's exactly why I wanted to join. The community and environment is truly amazing. You're also selfless with the information you have and share it in the most honest way. I'm glad to be here. That's why I do this. For comments like that. That's why I do this. Not to sell YouTube videos, not to do any of that stuff, to build the most honest channel. That is lovely that someone appreciates that. That's exactly why I wanted to join. This community environment is truly amazing. You're also selfless with the information you have and share it. Absolutely. It's easy to tell the truth. It's easy to work hard. It's easy to be real. I love what I do, and thank you for being part of our family. And thank you very much for becoming a silver member. That's incredible. Now you are a silver member, by the way. You can also do, if there's something you want to promote, you can do a competition, whether it's a prize or a physical prize or a cash prize, whatever. And you can actually do a full-blown competition where we can get everyone to click on a website or go to your Instagram or your web or your business or whatever it might be. But I give back 20 times what you give. That's what I try to do. Jojo S, good morning. Hi, Jojo. Hello, good morning. Kamala. Sensei, wonderful super chat this morning. Very, very generous of Sensei. Thank you very much indeed, mate. The Magic Carpet Ride, the best YouTube TV channel in the world, Jojo S says. That's nice. I agree with Sensei. We are heading lower next year. Are you sure, Hood CEO? Did you see, Fatala said, did you see CEO on Yahoo yesterday? No, I didn't. Send me the link. If you've got access to Discord, you can send me the link and I will do that. If one of my researchers can find it, I will bring it onto the show. Maybe check ex-dividend dates before liquidating Jojo S. Well, always do that. If you do sell everything, make sure that you do. You're not going to miss out on your dividends. She's no competition for Mike. I'm curious to see how the markets will react today. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, everybody. Time for a nice cup of tea. Yes, it's a nice cup of tea time. My tea's gone. Tea's gone, empty. I control the markets. They will go down if I say so. He's right, of course. He's dead right. If he says so, the markets will go down. Right, okay. I think I've upgraded everybody. Now then, we've got some things to talk about this morning. First of all, let's get straight into it. I want to. We've got a few things, big things happening on the show today. First of all, today's show is going to be a shorter show, and I'll explain why. First of all, I want to thank all our viewers who are watching me on Kick today. Here is my Kick account. If you've never subscribed to me, I'm trying to get 75 followers on Kick. It's a brand new thing. And there is my Kick audience. Welcome to all of you. Mike, as you can see, is one of our moderators over on Kick. All my members are welcome to join us. I want to welcome our audience on Rumble this morning as well. Hi all. Let me drop a quick hi all in there. There is my Rumble account. And what else have we got? We've got Facebook and X. Let me drop into Facebook and X. Okay, let me just drop into X. There we go. There's our X. If you want to repost it and relike it, I appreciate. Oh, 6 notifications. What's happened here? Jason is fighting for the fan of the year, the family member of the year, I should say. Actually, the best trophy. Thank you guys for sharing and liking everything. Kamala on Facebook's giving you a run for your money now, though. Kamala is in on the fight as well. There's our Facebook audience. Welcome to all of you. Right, how many are watching the show? Good morning. Right, we've got a Virgin Galactic announcement as well. And we got a review this morning. I'm trying to do 2 reviews this morning, and the show has to end early because I've got to complete. And Jose Quintana's competition is waiting for me to release it, waiting for it to come out. So Jose Quintana is giving away a cash prize and a mug for Christmas. So it's got to come out today. I've got to press the release button, so I've got to end the show earlier today. All right, so let's get some likes on the channel, and don't forget, if you want to phone in today, you can phone in and be my guest over here. You can call into the show. All members can call in live to the show, be part of it. How do you call in? You call in like this. It's martynlucas.com. martynlucas.com. You don't need software, you don't need equipment, you just call in through a browser on your phone, your mobile, your iPad, your computer, whatever. It's martynlucas.com/live. It's members only, however, so you will need the password. The password is in general chit chat. Scroll up, it's in the general chit chat, and I'll post it again in a minute in case it's moved up. You can then come on in and you can be my guest, phone in here, share charts, share information, be part of the show, be a researcher. We're going to have a big debate today about Richard Branson and what we're going to do about it. And I'll bring that to you in a few moments. So you can be my star guest today. You can be mystery guest number 1. Step right up. You can be in the show. Right. Let me bring you up first of all to the likes. Only 50% of people are signed into Google. That's just the way it is. So let's call that 80 watching. So the best we could get is 40 likes. We actually get 99.5% likes. All right, but only 50% are signed in. So we need 40 likes. Are you ready? Here we go. 40 likes, then we'll carry on. And if you don't like my content, that's absolutely fine. I might not like you. It's perfectly okay. If you tap the like button, you'll be shown my content. However, if you tap the down like button, you won't be shown my content anymore. So if you don't like what you're hearing, don't like what you're seeing, tap the down like, and you won't be shown my content. YouTube go, okay, you don't like it, we won't suggest this content to you anymore. So please tap the like if you like it, and please tap the down like if it's not for you. All right, okie dokie. There you go. I'll give you a couple more seconds. And while we're doing that, I want to share this with you. Very, very important. Some people people have asked me about this. If you click the subscribe button here, you can go and unsubscribe for a moment and check. Have you set the bell to all? Is the bell set to all? And turn notifications on. If you don't have it set to all and it's turned to none, you will not receive my breaking news when it comes out. Now, the only time you get excessive notifications is on Sunday. On Sunday, I post all my shows for the week. I strongly suggest for my channel, you turn on the bell because I have breaking news, things you don't want to miss. Okay, 36 likes. Can we get 40? We've got, let's call it 80 watching with 78. Let's upgrade that to 80. So 40 is the best we could possibly get because only 50% of people are actually signed in. All right, so there we go. Thank you ever so much for all of you that did actually like the video. Appreciate it very much indeed. We'll give it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 36 likes. I was hoping for 40, but 36 is still very good. 37. There we go. Not too bad at all. Thank you very much indeed for doing that. So make sure that you've actually rung the bell. A top tip as well, if you want to be more engaged with the show, look at this. And this came from Sensei. I didn't. The first part of this tip was mine, but the second part was brought to us by Sensei. I had no idea. First of all, if you're behind the show, if you're behind the show on the comments, you're behind the show on the competitions and everything else, you need to be live. See the live button? It's grey. That's because I'm behind the stream. I've rewound it. Look, I've rewound the video, or I'm buffered, and it's grey. Click the button there, it now turns live. You are now 30 seconds behind. However, you're still 30 seconds behind. This is where Sensei's tip was so useful. If you click the clock, the cog, and then go playback speed, you can turn it up to 2 times, and you'll be within 10 seconds of me speaking. And it's grey. Click the button there, it now turns live. You are now 30 seconds behind. However, it catches right up. Now, the reason why we have this is we go out in 14 different languages on all the process videos. This is not a process video. This is a live video. The actual process videos are in 14 languages. However, to make sure that I can get closed captions in English, I have to be behind the stream. See that? Look, I've now got captions in English. Only in English at the moment. All the process videos are in 14 languages. We have this because some people like to watch the show in mute and read. Okay, that's why that is there. In case you've ever wondered, that's why we have a delay, so we are able to do that. But you can skip it and come right up to the front anyway. All right, there you go. And thank you very much indeed. We did get over the 41 as well, which is amazing. Right, now then, we have some information. Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson, and we're going to discuss it now. And we're going to accompany it with a very important poll as well. So if you are a Virgin Galactic investor, stand by. I am going to tell you some information in a couple of moments. What else can I say to you this morning? I'm just reading all the comments. Have I missed anything? Why would a man that owns a majority of a company on his stock drop like Richard Branson did over the weekend? AIJ, well, that's part of what we're going to discuss now. Still no Christmas jumper. Right. Still no. I got my Christmas jumper ready and we're about to decorate the studio. I thought we'd just leave it a few more days. That's why. Okay. Let's go through my portfolio and then give you our Virgin Galactic announcement. All right. So, just trying to think. The phone line is open. If my members want to call into the show, there you go. You can be live on the show here and you can call in to the show. Let me share with you my portfolio right now and let's see what's moving. As you can see, we are down today a small amount, not that much at all. 66,000 was our all-time high. We're 1,000 and 1,500 off, and that's primarily because of Virgin Galactic. But let's go through our positions, and then I'm going to give you the announcement. And we've got a review today, and we've got a competition as well, a cash prize and a physical prize. Virgin Galactic down today, 189. It's holding on its support. Palantir down, gold down, S&P down, Amazon down, Apple is up, NEE is down slightly. Enphase. Now, when we say it's down, remember, I bought it at 70. It's actually up now 41% on the month and trending up, and it's a 3x. Let's not forget that. Very, very important. Coca-Cola, J&J. J&J is hitting all-time new highs now. I bought it. I'm now up 2.2. Every percent is about $300. And I've got $25,000 worth of J&J. Very, very strong now. Things are improving. Kenvue down slightly. Chevron only 5% to go. Tesla moving up. Rivian moving up. Even though it's down at the moment. Google. I'm about to start looking at a buy with Google. We've been waiting and waiting patiently. Remember, I reported to you about 3 weeks ago, and many of you didn't react. You thought it was whatever, not important. I reported to you about 2 weeks ago that a director at Google sold 78% of his shares, inside trading, 78% of his shares. And I said, this is not good for the stock. I'm out. I took a profit. I was out. I was out of Google. I took a profit the first time. The second time, when I got back in again, I think I sold for a wash, or maybe even a very slight loss, when I realized the director had sold 78% of his shares. I was done. I was out. And I said it will take time. Many of you said, oh no, it's going to keep going up. Well, it did. It did for a while. It started to go up. It's starting to go up after the announcement. Remember, people take time to filter the news. I bring it to you instantly, and I said it's not good news. It's topped out. Google too expensive. It's a great company, but you just can't pay any price for everything. I mean, it's crazy, right? That's not how to invest. That's just following the leader and buying Google because your mate down the road at the pub said so. I said to you, there's a delayed reaction and it will go down. It has gone down. It is going down. It is too expensive. I am looking to buy it back. Now, if I missed the bottom, I don't care. There's plenty of other things I can buy. I would like $5,000 to $10,000 worth of Google. However, I'm buying it at the right price. It's too expensive. I said it would come down. It's coming down. All right. You just got to have patience. I think perhaps in the new year, maybe another few months, I can get the bottom of Google. I'm not buying it now just to lose money. All right. Microsoft is way too expensive. It's even worse. Walmart, too expensive. Tesco, too dear. Tilray, rubbish. It popped up yesterday. It's going straight back down again. Rubbish. I'm not buying Tilray. Robinhood. Robinhood is a 4x, 4 to 6x. A few of you took profits around this point. Good luck to you. Well done. I'm up 12.5%. I'm not selling because you're selling cheap. You're selling cheap. It's fine that you've made a profit, and you're right to sell if you want to take profit. You've got all you've got all reasons why you would. But remember, if you've bought on your brokerage and you've bought in short term, you're paying 20% tax. So make sure if you are buying, you've bought it on your Roth IRA at least. If you are buying on your main brokerage, at least hold it for a year. Unless you have good reason to sell and you really think it's going to go down, there's nothing wrong with doing that. However, you're literally at the moment that Robinhood is landing in the UK. It's a 4 to 6x. No question, 100%. I'm all in. I've got $4,400 of it. I'm not selling. To me, that is bonkers. But I understand why you would, and I've no problem at all if you do that. But I am certainly not selling my Robinhood now. I think that'd be the worst time to do it. Ion Q, too expensive. Rocket Lab, we've got some good news around the corner. Plug, it's 2 to 3x. I was up yesterday. I'm down slightly, but remember, I was down 80% on Plug, so I'm down 1%. So what? I don't care. Procter & Gamble, I'm not in it right now. Rumble, rubbish. Funware, I'm not in it. FFIE, it's a moon bag. It's a lottery ticket. That's all it is. I'm not going to keep buying it down to 1 cent. It's pointless. I've written off the $1,000. If I make money, I do. If I don't, I don't. It's managed. It's a managed position. Bitcoin is now nearly 42,000, doing well. Our crypto challenge is doing excellent at the moment. Thank you to Sensei Crypto. Did you know Martyn's Christmas jumper is black on black? Did you know? Yeah, this is my Christmas jumper. It's black on black. Very good. Stephen, oil price seems to be dropping a bit today. I have been keeping my eye on it. Martyn, what do you think is a good entry point on Google when the price comes down in the new year? I don't know what the price is yet. I'm still studying it. And I'm still trying to find out who's buying on the inside. So, which I always share to you, right? James still waiting on oil around 55, 54 or lower. Crude now dropping is at 72 a barrel. So we are looking at our CVX and our Chevron. I am down the last, but I was down like 60, 70%. I'm only down 5% now. Let me have a look. Is it an all-time low? Let's have a look. I last bought at 142.85. No, I'm only ever buying anything at the moment with all-time lows. All-time lows for me over the last 2.5 years, that is. Anyway. Okay, let's go back now. We've got a review to do this morning. Let me do a review. Now, Disney for Michelle. Is Michelle in the chat? Michelle is not here. Michelle asked me to do Disney, and she's never been back, I don't think, since she asked me. I don't know. Last night I put a new review out. Disney, if you've not checked it, one person said he didn't like it. He said it was unfair. He said I was very biased and negative towards Disney. I don't think I was. I pointed out the facts. We had a backwards and forwards conversation on X. You may have seen it. You may have engaged in it. I don't think it was unfair. I think it was open and honest. He just didn't like what I had to say. I very often get people who are in a stock don't like when I talk bad about it. But, I'm here to tell the truth. That's it. Fair and simple. No messing around and so on and so forth. So it is what it is. There you go. Anyway, I'll always just tell you as it is. In my opinion, it's only my opinion, but that's what I think. Right, we have a Virgin Galactic announcement. Okay, so we're going to do a poll here. SPCE, we've got time before the bell goes. SPCE. Virgin Galactic shares crashed due to Sir Richard Branson's comments to Virgin Galactic shares crashed due to Sir Richard Branson's comments. Okay. We had great success with a recent petition Should I invite Richard for an interview and petition him to reconsider his position? To Virgin Galactic. And interview for an interview and petition him to reconsider his position on SPCE. Please, oh, hang on a minute. I'm not sharing on the screen. I apologize. I wanted you to see that. All right. Should I please vote in poll? Share, post, and comment. All right, SPCE, Virgin Galactic shares crashed due to Sir Richard Branson's comments. We had a great success with the recent petition. Should I invite Richard for an interview and petition him to reconsider his position on SPCE? Please vote in poll, share, post, and comment. People power does work. Okay. Okay. So now I'll put the tags there. So SPCE and Virgin Galactic, Martyn Lucas Investor, and of course the Army code, Lucas AIDS. We come to the rescue again. We did it last time. Okay, so let's do a poll. Yes. Screw it. Let's do it. That's one of Sir Richard Branson's phrases. Yes. Screw it. Let's do it. Okay, that's one of Richard Branson's phrases, by the way, in case you're wondering. Okay, yes. Screw it. Let's do it. No. Don't bother. You don't care anymore. You've given up. Or undecided. Sat on the fence. Right. Undecided. Sat on the... Can I fit that in? Undecided. Undecided, sat on fence. With a splinter up your ass, probably. Undecided, sat on the fence. Okay, I can't fit it all in. So there you go. So what I've said is Virgin Galactic shares crashed due to Sir Richard Branson's comments. We had great success with a recent petition. Should I invite Richard for an interview and petition him to reconsider his position on space? Please vote in poll, share, post, and comment. People power does work. SPCE, there's all that. Yes, screw it, let's do it. No, don't bother. Undecided, sat on the fence. Okay, there we go. That poll is out. Okay, there it is on the screen. Let me give you the link to it. Okay, let me give you the link. Copy the link. There is the poll. People power works. If you don't like the world, change it. If you can't be bothered, sit on your ass and moan. That's fine. But this is an action channel. We get involved. We're not messing around. I'm giving it to everybody on Rumble, everybody on Kick. I'm giving it to everybody on Facebook. I'm giving it to everybody on X. It'll go out to LinkedIn. It'll go on my email newsletter. You name it. It's going everywhere. So let's get ready. Now we're going to make a video quickly. We've got just a few seconds to go before the bell goes. So let's bring up SPCE. And right. There. Okay, ready? If you want to be in this video, if you want to put a comment on the screen to Sir Richard Branson, I'm making a Virgin Galactic SPCE video now, and it will go into the bell. It might just run over the bell, so if it does, it does. SPCE and at 51 mins we are now. Right. Okay, are you ready? So if you want to do a super chat during this video, I'll make it members only so we don't get any silly comments from anybody just trolling the channel. Only members now can comment. If you want to do a super chat and be part of this video, then you can. The making of this video, you can be in it. The votes are already going crazy. We've already had 10 votes in seconds. People are reposting it. People are liking it. And no surprise there whatsoever. Right, let's go. Let's go. We'll bring up that. And here we go. And we'll have a main shot here. Okay. Virgin Galactic. What the hell was that? Let's try that again. Virgin Galactic action video calling all members and Lucas aides because we know we can rely on you. We did it last time. We're going to do it again unless you decide not to. Let me explain. It's Virgin Galactic action time. While others sit round and moan, while other YouTubers give up because Virgin Galactic's going down, not getting the many views, I'm never going anywhere. I'm always here. I never give up. Last time we petitioned and we got 95% of the world's retail investors to change policy at Virgin Galactic. It worked. Now we're going to do it again if you decide to. If not, I won't. The choice is yours. What are we going to do? I'm running a petition live right now in the making of this video. I've just put it out seconds ago. Here it is. This is the question I'm asking you. Virgin Galactic shares crashed due to Sir Richard Branson's comments. He did it on purpose. He knew what would happen. He did it at a time that the retail investors couldn't get out. Only the institutions could. And many of us have gone down and many people have sold out thinking that Virgin Galactic is now doomed and is going down the toilet like many of his other businesses. But I want to clarify, as we aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. So unlike what many of you have told me, all these businesses have not failed. Several have recently, but many more Virgin brands are still up and running and good businesses. Let's be clear. Anyway, the question is, we had a great success with our recent petition. As you know, we changed policy at Virgin Galactic. The question I'm asking you is, should I invite Richard for an interview live here on my show and petition him to reconsider his position on space by him saying he is no longer investing in Virgin Galactic? In other words, no longer adding any extra. Be fair, he does own 7%. He's the second highest shareholder of Virgin Galactic, but his comments nevertheless have driven the stock down. I'm still holding. I'm not going anywhere. I still believe in Virgin Galactic, but nevertheless, his comments have driven the stock down and it scared a lot of people off. Maybe that was his intention. I don't know. We'll discuss that more. But should I invite Richard for an interview, petition him to reconsider his position on space and get to hear from the man himself? You have three options here. You have yes, screw it, let's do it. That's a phrase from Sir Richard Branson. Or no, don't bother. I can't be bothered. I want to sit on the fence and moan. I don't really care. Or I'm short in the stock. I ain't bothered what you do. Or undecided, I'm sat on the fence. I'm not interested either way. I don't care. So yes, screw it. Let's do it. Let's get him on the show. Let's get some action. No, don't bother. You don't want it to happen. Or undecided, you sat on the fence, and all you get from sitting on the fence is a splinter up your backside, and you can sit around and hobble around. Oh, there's a splinter up my arse, and that's up to you. But get involved. So you've got the chance now to get involved. If that is an overwhelming majority, which it is right now, 88.2%, I will petition. I will go to the trouble of putting out a petition. I will reach out to Richard Branson, and I will make it so. I will make it so. 89.5%. Richard Branson will get invitations from me left, right, and center. I'll knock on his front door if necessary. 89.5% of you now have voted. Now, when you do vote, do not just, and I'm talking now to the members, everybody else, not bothered. The members, the Lucasades, those of you that have action up your backside, those of you that get on and do what you're going to say and say what you do, just don't sit around trolling and moaning. I'm talking to you guys. I'm now asking you guys, don't just vote. Don't just vote. Act. And what you can do to act is click the like button. That will then suggest the comment out on X. Also, repost it, quote it, tag in Virgin Galactic, tag in Richard Branson. Do something. Don't just sit around and do nothing. We can change the world. We did it last time. We'll do it again. Comment on it. Show Elon Musk that this is a post that should be shared and suggested out on X. Get involved. Don't just sit there and vote. Don't just sit there and like. Sit there and post and comment. So there we go. It's your opportunity to get involved and change the world once again. We did it last time. We're going to do it again. Virgin Galactic shares are down. I will tell you, though, they are holding support. I am still in. I'm not giving up, but was this a very bad timed announcement? Was it done on purpose? I would like to speak to Richard and ask him personally. I would like to petition him to at least say that he would consider continually investing in Virgin Galactic, giving a positive sentiment rather than I'm not investing anymore, I'm done, and the thing can fly or sink. Fly, my pretty, fly! Fly by yourself, because I'm done with it. That's the impression it gave to people, hence why they dumped. Get involved, be part of it, share this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you have. Make sure that you've liked the video, share it out and comment. Comment, share, post. Get involved. If not, you're sat on the fence and all you've got is a splinter up your backside and you'll be moaning all over the place. Get involved or don't. I don't mind what you do. But what you decide to do is what I will act upon. Get involved. Put me to work. I'm not going anywhere. Until next time, click above my head for the links. Click down here for the links. All the links you need. Until then, as always, take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Screw it. Let's do it. If you decide, go space. All right. This is a huge success. Absolutely huge. We've got a few moments to go. 90.9%. Look at that. 22 votes, 8 reposts, 12 likes. I have never seen a poll do so well so quick. Here we go. Let's ring the bell. It's time to ring the bell on the show this morning. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The bell has now gone and we are going into action mode. Let's go. Let's see what's happening this morning. Here we go. Virgin Galactic. Down. Palantir. Down. Gold. Down. The S&P. Down. Amazon. Down. Apple going up. NEE. Up. Enphase. 107. Trimming off. Coca-Cola going up quickly, going up quickly, going up quickly. My portfolio is still red because of Virgin Galactic. J&J up. If it wasn't for Virgin Galactic, I would be at another all-time high today. Consistently beating the market. And as you can see here, look, my portfolio is at 64.5. Virgin Galactic, I'd be at 67 today, but never mind. Let's see how we go. We'll fix that. Chevron, Tesla, Rivian, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, rubbish, Hood, IonQ, Rocket Lab, Plug. 6% today. That's a shame as well. That's lost $258 today. Procter & Gamble, Rumble, Funware, FFIE, yep, it's going down, and Plug has just announced 7% going down. It's being dumped as fast as it went up. Rio Tinto, Bitcoin, 42,000. Stormin Norman, XRP, back to the main portfolio. Down slightly. Virgin Galactic 191. Let me read some of the comments. The Lucas Aids is here with Bill. Good afternoon. Henrik, good afternoon. Welcome to all the members around the world. Get him on the show. Chris Pickering. Hi Henrik. No fear with share price here. Just a purposely done comment by Sir Ricky to bring the price down so his big investor buddies can add more shares before the celebrity flight. Bill, holding space. Don't think he would admit it was done on purpose. He might get done for inside trading. They all do it as if it's though as it's a benefit I wish I had. Hello family. Good morning. Good morning Queen. Good morning Queen. Portfolio is coming up. We're getting a record response on our, excuse me, I got itchy nose this morning. Record response this morning for our poll. So far, and I don't mean overall, I mean for the speed of it. 91.7%. Screw it, let's do it. 24 votes, 6 days left, and we got 24 votes already. This is pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Let me give it to you again. You are acting this morning. The Lucas Aids are involved. The family is involved. There we go. Let me go back over to general public now. Let me give you back to the general public again. Funware is down 6.7%. We are general public again now. I wanted it just to be members throughout the main show. If you've just arrived, if you can tap the like button. We're doing very, very well. We've got 100 people watching. It's a big morning this morning, and welcome to all of you. Virgin Galactic is going back down. 103 watching, so good. Yes, it's 50% is, 54 now. We've got likes, excellent. 99.5% is our up like ratio. We're going for all our positions. Virgin Galactic, Palantir. It's getting better to buy. Gold, S&P, Amazon. I'll be buying it soon. Apple going up this morning. Very nice. NEE, Enphase still trimming off. Coca-Cola doing well. My J&J, fantastic. Who bought J&J at the bottom with me? I'm now up 3% on a stock that went through litigation, which still is. It's a 2x. It was oversold. Jim Cramer talks rubbish. Constantly talks rubbish. In fact, we're going to recap on that right now. And then I've got an earnings report. There's the update this morning. Right. Let me just do this. It's an hour and 5, J&J. J&J 105, here we go. Let me just bring this up to you. Production screen. Let me make this green because this is very green. Right. Okay. Does Jim Cramer on Mad Money talk rubbish? Yes, he spends most of his time making silly sound effects. The guy is very, very smart, but his show is designed specifically to sell viewers, get you to watch, shout boya, God knows what else, and manipulate the market. And I've proved it time and time again. J&J is one of the best companies you can buy. In my opinion, it's going to double. Litigation is not an issue to sell the stock. He said sell it because it's involved in litigation. He held it on the charitable trust, and he said get rid of it because litigation, I don't want to be tied up in litigation. Well, ever since he sold it, by the way, it's been going up. We reached the bottom and it's been going up. I bought the bottom. I did the very opposite of what Jim Cramer said. He often talks rubbish. It's designed to either manipulate the stock or create panic in the market and get the sort of people that like to shout boya and make silly noises to call in to his show. That's essentially what he does. And that happened again. So what did? I did the very opposite. And I didn't do it because Jim Cramer said so. I did it because I read the numbers. I looked at the balance sheet. I looked at the debt position. I looked at the profit. I looked at the loss. I looked at the inside traders. I went and studied the stock. And the fact of the matter is, the reason why the litigation has brought the price down is because people are uncertain of its future and don't want to hang around. But the people that bought J&J bought it years ago for a fraction of the price it is now, and it's being used as a source of funds. However, there's no reason whatsoever to sell the company. Let me share with you some more details. The revenue is increasing and it's going to continue to increase. The operating income is increasing. The net income is increasing. In fact, net income is up 165%. The litigation could be solved tomorrow. They just don't want to pay it out in the most expensive way, but they can. The balance sheet, if I share with you the balance sheet, we look at the balance sheet, $166 billion on assets, 94 billion on liabilities. So that's a very healthy balance sheet. 26 billion is long-term debt, which is the right balance for me, as I've always explained, the amount of long-term debt you can afford. Their margins are 67%. Doing very well, operating margin. Does this look like a company to you that's going bust anytime soon? Does this look like a company that's heavily involved in litigation and going to lose you money? No, I'm sorry, but Jim Cramer talks rubbish. And if I met him in person, I would say you talk rubbish. You are a very smart guy. You know what you're doing. You're manipulating the market. You invite certain guests on that get you viewers. You let people phone in, make silly noises and God knows what else. And you should be actually giving decent advice, because some people use you for financial advice. I know they shouldn't. You always say, I'm not here to entertain, I'm here to teach. But really, one of the best companies in the world, J&J, with a huge upside on the best, or the 42% on the highest, 13%, which is around about the S&P on the mid, but where we are way, way above the mid because of the heavy selling, and only a 1% on the downside in the worst case scenario. You know these figures. I know these figures. Everyone who reads the balance sheet does. We know about the inside trading. Most of that was fueled by you telling everybody that the stock was rubbish and going down the toilet. I think it's very, very irresponsible. And look, it's got a short interest of 0.55. No one is shorting the stock. They just dumped it when it went down. Simple as that. I think you need to consider You know, some people watch your show for advice, and you've got a lot of people that are influenced by your fandom of football and shouting silly phrases, and you're exciting an audience the same way Donald Trump excites an audience, and maybe not always gives accurate information. You need to give accurate information because people trust you. And the fact of the matter is, Johnson & Johnson is one of the best companies in the world. And I'm not influenced unlike you or paid like you to say it. I'm just an investor looking at the facts and the numbers. And I've been suggesting, not advising like you do, suggesting to my audience that J&J is oversold and it's a good buy. And since you sold it, it's been going up. A bit like Kathy Wood does that. But anyway, I just want to make this video and put it out that Johnson & Johnson is an extremely good buy, even now. And click above my head if you want to know why I think so and where all my links are. And look below here, and I'll post you more information of Jim Cramer and other things that he says around J&J, and I'll put it out there, and I will prove over and over again that Jim Cramer talks rubbish. Until next time, sorry, Jim. You just do talk rubbish, and I'm not here to pat anybody on the head and talk nonsense. We aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. I had to do that because I just thought it's blooming bonkers, this. Keeps on going up. Jim Cramer keeps saying it's going down. Anyway, whatever. Let's have a look. Robinhood. Good morning, Queen. Screw it, let's do it. John, yeah. Hi, John. Yes, Storm, in no way are you going to take profits, though, when we get a celebrity flight. Look at Hood go. Let's have a look. Now, I've been saying Robinhood, it's up 2% today. It's great, but I just, again, want to just be balanced. I'm in Hood. I've always been in Hood. Let's just bought more Virgin Galactic in honor of Sensei dumping. As Richard Branson just killed Virgin Galactic. Well, he hasn't done it any good. Put it that way. Sorry, guys. I've got a really itchy nose this morning. Live TV, and I'm always here. I'm never off air, so what can I do about it? Right. Okay. So let's have a look at our results so far. Wow, look at the poll. 93.8%. 32 votes, 16 likes, 8 reposts. This is going to be a huge poll. This is going to be a huge poll. And this is going to really make a difference. I'm telling you that. I'm very, very excited about this. Very excited that everybody is actually getting involved. Right. J&J space. So now we do a quick Hood. And an hour and 15, 1 hour, 43, Hood. Someone said there was an interview with Vlad Tenev. Vlad Tenev. Video. October the 2nd, Vlad Tenev interview. October the 2nd, no. Latest. No. May. I'm trying to find. Someone said he appeared on Yahoo. Is that correct? Vlad Tenev interview. Is it Yahoo? Someone said he was on Yahoo. I'm trying to find it. If anyone can find the most recent Vlad Tenev interview, send it to me and I'll bring it on the show. And I can't. These are all old. Someone said, yeah, I saw it a couple of days ago. So I can't find it. If you can, share with me. Let's have a little look. Just bought more Virgin Galactic. Can we do a poll? Should Martyn Lucas get the Mad Money soundboard for the show? I'll put the link in the general chit chat. All right. We can do a poll. Not today, though. We're not running two polls at the same time. I like it. Craig, that's brilliant. Chet Jackson, we've got a new guest just come on in. Welcome to the family, Chet. Wonderful to have you here. Good morning. Why is Robinhood moving so much? Well, it's obvious, isn't it? Isn't it obvious? Isn't it obvious? Why? It was on Bloomberg. Okay. Let's have a look. Vlad Tenev, Bloomberg interview. Bloomberg. I want it. If someone could send it in to me, I'm going to do a video. 5 days ago. Now we're talking. Okay.
And your ambition.
Okay. Here we go. So, let's do this. Let's do this now. Let's think about how best to do this. Let's have a look. Okay. Robinhood. It's time to talk Robinhood and why I've been bullish since day one and why so many trolls are all over this account and why I get so much attack on Stock Twits, Reddit. We're going to explain it why, and we're going to make a very big prediction, a very bold statement. And for all of those of you that are shorting the stock or disagree with me, you should probably switch off right now because what I'm about to tell you is going to scare you. And shall we get into it? I think we should. Tap the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. If you are a shorter, you're probably going to want to dislike the channel. And please do dislike the video. I don't mind. I can afford you to downlike it. 99.5% of our viewers are up likes because they know, as I do, where Robinhood is about to go next, and I am going to make a bold statement, and I'm also going to have this gentleman speak to me live on the show. Are you ready? Okay, let's get right into it. This is Robinhood right now. Full disclosure, this is not financial advice, but boy, am I bullish on Robinhood. Why? I've got $4,456 of Virgin Galactic. Sorry, Robinhood. We've just been talking about Virgin Galactic. I'm up 13%. I bought it at the bottom. And I am at the very, very top of the list to get Robinhood any day now. In the UK, I'm going to have a US account where I am now. I'm also going to have a UK account as well. And I am the very first to get it. How do I know? I've received an email this morning telling me from Robinhood that I am at the very top of the list and I'm going to get it first on release day. Why? Because I shared my link with everybody. You all joined me and now you'll be on the list with me. So just in the chat now, I'm making this video in a live chat. Here is my link, which is number 1 on Robinhood. There it is. If you join my list and share it around, you could join me on day one and be with me on day one. And the stock is going to go up, and I'm going to explain why and where it's going to. Let's just hear, first of all, from Mr. Vlad Tenev, CEO. Here we go.
Talk to us about the launch in the UK and your ambitions for Europe. What are the timings that we're thinking about?
Yeah, so we are launching imminently to the initial set of customers in the UK. And
which is
what
me.
We're launching is commission-free share trading of US stocks. And we're also launching 24-hour trading, which is a unique proposition. We launched a product in the US earlier this year called 24-Hour Market, which was the first. We became the first major broker to allow round-the-clock trading of individual stocks. I think that's particularly useful for consumers here because there's just less overlap between waking up.
Now, why that's important, the 24-hour trading, I use it all the time. It gives me a level playing field like the institutions. If I'd had 24-hour trading, which I do for nearly all my stocks, if I had it on Virgin Galactic, which I don't currently, I would have been able to alert you. I wouldn't have sold it, by the way, and I wouldn't have sold it and then bought the bottom, but I would have been able to alert all of you what was happening with the movement of the stock at 3 a.m, and I do that on my X account. Very, very good feature of Robinhood. It gives a level playing field to everyone.
Hours and U.S. East Coast working hours, so that'll just make it a lot more usable and a lot more welcoming for customers to invest here. We are also launching 5% AER on uninvested cash. So the intention is for the UK market, Robinhood to be the best place to invest in US stocks and US dollars. And we believe we can fill that need better than anyone else.
And this is happening imminently, so in the new year, is that fair to say in terms of the time frame for this launch?
The wait list is coming out, and we will plan to roll out to the initial set of customers in the coming days, actually.
In the coming days. What's the market opportunity?
Coming days. This was 2 days ago. I could have my account today live on the show. And if I do have it, all of my viewers who are using my link, I'm just going to check this morning because I've been receiving. I've got another email this morning confirming I am at the top of the list, and I am going to be the very first to get it. And all of you could be there with me.
For Robinhood here in the UK?
I think that if you look at how we've done in the US, after less than 10 years, about 8 years of general availability, we've brought on board over 23 million customers. So 23 million customers with money in their account.
Now, I'm going to jump onto that because I know many of my trolls and those who lost money on GameStop who are going to talk to me now and say they've not gained. They'll try to do everything they can to bring false information to the table, and I'm going to debunk all of it. They will come to the table now and say, no, they're losing customers. Blah, blah, blah. We've seen it. No one knows better than me. I listen to all of the earnings calls, the whole thing. 1 hour, 2 hours, I hear every earnings call, and I have for the last 2.5 years. So don't tell me what was said and what wasn't said. The fact of the matter is, they have lost some small customers, they've gained more, and they've gained better customers. And what I mean by that is, those of you that followed the Roaring Kitty nonsense, a guy who lied about his name, who was breaking the law, unlike me, this is my real name, pumped a stock up, got you all to follow him, gamblers, and 99% of you lost money. A handful of people actually made money because they're the ones you hear about on YouTube. The ones who lost their money have no voice. The regular folk, the regular person lost his money. And they lost their money not because of Vlad Tenev, not because of Robinhood, because you do not know how to invest. You followed some guy who pretends to be a cat or whatever he was on smoking a big cigar, making loads of money out of your desperate need to make money. You lost money following him, not Vlad Tenev. What Vlad Tenev at Robinhood did was halt trading, as did all the other brokerages, because you would completely destroy the system. It's not how it works. You can't break the rules. You can't blow up the system because you've got a mate on YouTube telling you can. He did. You lost your money. It was the right, responsible thing. And because of that, you now think Robinhood's rubbish. You shorted the stock, you drove it down, and institutions and people like me bought it up at the bottom, and we're now going to 4 and 6x. And I've never shorted a stock in my life. I don't need to. But you're about to lose all your money all over again. Because you do not study the stocks, you do not read balance sheets, you follow a YouTuber telling you how to get rich and famous and God knows what else, and you don't listen to the numbers. Sorry that you don't understand how to invest, But those are the people that have now left Robinhood. Good riddance. Now big investors, real investors are joining Robinhood. That's what we want.
Counts on Robinhood about 10% of the adult population, which is tremendous. It took competitors decades to reach that number, and very few have. So I think if we can get similar success in the UK, I think there's a lot we can do here, and there's a lot of value we can add to the market. As you probably know, back in 2019, the entire brokerage industry in the US replicated our model by going to zero commission. And that actually led to savings for tens of millions of people, not just those with Robinhood accounts. Anyone that had an account at a legacy financial institution or discount.
Let me explain that as well. A lot of people are very upset or think that UK can't have payment to order flow. No, UK cannot have payment to order flow. It's not allowed in the UK. It's not allowed in Europe, but it is in the US. What they're going to do is they're not going to charge commission. They're not going to have payment to order flow. They're not going to make money that way because they're not allowed to. They're going to give the trades for free. What they're going to do is make money with Robinhood Gold, and I predict everybody will have gold. I do. I love it. I'll tell everybody why I love it. It's $5 a month. They'll make $5 a month, potentially 70 million people that they sign up for Robinhood. I mean, the exact number, obviously, we don't know, whatever. That's the potential, okay? And then you've got people that use margin. I use margin, and other things that they can make money from. But they won't need to make money from the trades. And I know firsthand, because I've been trading for like 20, 30 years before I set up this system, using Barclays, HSBC, paying $5, $10 every time I traded. So you can't make any money. With Robinhood giving you the opportunity to trade for free, even though I'm essentially a long-term investor, you're going to get potentially 70 thereabouts million people join Robinhood. Then they're going to get Robinhood Gold because they're going to want all the features that come with gold. That's going to earn potentially 70 million times $5 a month. I wish I owned the business. Pretty good. And then you've got margin and other things. And then what you've got, most importantly, if you are an investor, you're more likely to buy the brokerage that you invest in. And Robinhood is going to go up for two reasons. One, it's going to go up because potentially more people in the UK who've never heard of Roaring Kitty, don't care about all the GameStop rubbish. They will buy the stock. The stock will go up, and remember all the capital expenditure. And I've shared you all the balance sheets and the numbers and the investments over the last 2 years have been done to get into the UK, into Europe. Remember, they can rinse and repeat this now. It's very much very efficient. The margins are coming down. The capital expenditure is coming down, and the profit is going to go through the roof.
Broker was now not paying commissions or fees for trades and retirement accounts, for instance. And so if we have a similar impact here, I think that could result in lots more money back in customers' pockets at a time they need it the most.
So I just want to push you a bit on the market opportunity. What are the kind of numbers that you're targeting by the end of next year, for example, out of the UK, in terms of customer acquisitions, in terms of total numbers or volumes? What are you looking at? Are the targets?
I mean, the way we think about it is this is a long-term opportunity for us. We've spent time building the platform, a technology platform that'll allow us to expand internationally as a software company. Every time we build new things in the US, they'll accrue to customers in the UK, 24-hour market being a prime example, along with the high yield offering. So that this product that we're launching now is probably the best version of Robinhood, and we intend for it to keep improving.
That's what I've just explained. All the investment to produce the Robinhood US version instantly happens in the UK, instantly happens when they go into Europe, into Canada and other places like that. So the major investments have been done, and now it's time to really make some money.
And since we are expanding as a technology company and we're building all of this in-house organically, the actual cost of making the platform available in each market should continue to decline, and we'll be able to get more leverage as a result. So I think
And I just want to say, I'm looking at this interview for the first time, explaining what I believe before he said it, right? The reason why I know that, and the reason why he's just said what I have just said before I heard him say it, is not because I'm listening to silly idiots like Roaring Kitty and all these clowns on Reddit and StockTwits. I actually read the numbers. I actually read the balance sheet. I actually speak to people at Robinhood. I phone Robinhood most days. I have conversations. I understand the business like Kathy Wood understands the business, you know, and exactly. If you look at the margins and the capital expenditure, you can see and calculate for yourself that Robinhood is a 4 to 6x, not because of drama or headlines or YouTube or nonsense, because of the business. I buy businesses, not stock prices.
Over the long run, we intend to do quite well, and I'm thinking about it less in terms of like, what are the targets in the next couple of months or even 1 year. But I think I aspire for Robinhood to be a global company. That's been the plan from the very beginning. Beju and I started this company as immigrants and children of immigrants. And so the idea of making our services available, making really the best of financial services from anywhere in the world available to anyone, anywhere in the world with a smartphone, is just the vision I've had in mind from the very beginning. Okay. And it starts with the UK.
But you talked about 10% of the US population that is now, is that correct? About 10% that are using...
We've got over 23 million customers.
23 million
which
customers.
Is roughly 10% of adults.
Of adults. So about 10% of adults here in the UK would be something you'd be looking at.
I mean, I think that would be a great outcome, and I don't think
a realistic outcome.
That will take a year, but
they can do better than that.
Towards serving every individual in the UK.
Okay, you mentioned the fact you're a decade old. 2013 was when you were founded. Why is it taking a decade to break into the UK market, Vlad?
I mean, I think
Okay, I will pause that. The reason why I predict what he's going to say, why it's taken so long. Payment to order flow, first of all, is their system is very different in the UK. Because they're not going to make money on payment to order flow, they have to have built out the platform. So they've already spent the money and made money in the US to be able to afford to do that, just making money from gold and margin. So it takes a time to build the business if you're then not going to charge for a big part of what earns you money in the US. They had to become cash positive, which they are now in the US, which I've been following in great detail. That's why it's taken so long. Let's see what he says and see if I'm right.
The reality of it is the US is so big and there's so much to build that it's always sort of a tricky proposition. What do you prioritize? And we were about to launch in the UK a couple of years ago. It was March of 2020. And then we had a little bit of a curveball, didn't we, with a global pandemic. And at the time, we didn't know exactly how things were going to shake out, how long it was going to last, how disruptive it would be to the economy. But what we did see was basically a tripling of activity in Robinhood within a very short amount of time. So we had to make the difficult decision to postpone this launch because we were putting in all of the resources we possibly could to dealing with the surge in demand and making sure our infrastructure was scaling in the way we needed. And we made those changes, made those improvements, invested dramatically in the service quality, the infrastructure offering. Now we're in a much stronger place to actually serve the market with not just a better product with all the new features I mentioned, but also much stronger infrastructure.
And how do you expect to be turning a profit in the UK? 0% fees, you're doing 5% ADR, as you mentioned. Is it going to be partly subsidized by the US customer base, or are you focused on turning a profit in the UK, and how do you do that?
Well, there's two ways I think about it. First, since this is leveraging our core platform from the US, the cost of servicing additional customers in the UK is lower than when we launched in the UK, in the US initially, because we already have the core infrastructure and platform capability and the technology. And everything we build in the U.S. accrues to the...
As we speak, Robinhood is soaring. My overall portfolio is soaring. I'm very much in the green. Virgin Galactic is going up. I could break all-time highs again today, nearly every day now for the last 2 weeks.
UK. On the revenue side, even though payment for order flow is not permissible in this market,
correct,
we've diversified the business tremendously. And so in the U.S., you've seen us launch Robinhood Gold with
there it is.
5% APY.
There it is.
Stock lending, which is good for customers. It allows them to earn passive yield on their stocks even when they're not trading, and is also a revenue source for the firm, to the point where now more than half of the revenue of the firm is actually interest income. Payment for order flow for equities is right around 5%. And so we believe that will allow us to continue that path on the UK. We have a diversified business. We can offer...
Robinhood is now 10.03. It's exploding.
Here, while also building a sustainable, growing, profitable business, leveraging the technology that we've built.
And talk to us about your conversations with UK regulators. How welcoming or not have they been to your presence? You've been meeting with officials in the UK.
They've been very welcoming. I mean, we've been pleased, as we talked a little bit about before the interview. I was pleased to be at the GIS, the Global Investment Summit here earlier this week. And what's been abundantly clear is that the regulators, the lawmakers, the officials here are laser focused on making the UK the best place to do business. And they're making investments. They want to bring in companies. They care very deeply about capital formation. And you know, we were committed to going to the UK many years ago, but I'd say the climate and the optimism has only...
Just going to jump in now. We've got Robinhood now just broken through 10.03. It's 4 to 6x. It's a $40 stock. No doubt about it, within 18 months.
Improved, and we're very optimistic about the market and what the future holds.
Who do you see as the biggest competitive threat? Is it the incumbents like Hargreaves Lansdown, or is it the startups like Monzo and Revolut?
I mean, I don't think there's anyone that's serving the specific need that we believe we can serve better than anyone, which is providing the best access to U.S. stocks and the U.S. dollar in the easy...
I want to be clear, I've used nearly all the platforms. I've tried them all off air, tested them. Nothing competes to Robinhood. I think the innovation behind the setup, the service, customer service, the whole thing, it's not easy to be the best. And in my opinion, I'm always looking for the best services, the best quality. If you're always the best of yourself, you always succeed. There's no doubt about it. I don't think they have any competition whatsoever.
Easiest to use possible interface for retail customers. Our customers are younger. They're early adopters of technology. They're sort of digitally native. They like to be in control of everything. They don't like to be talked down to and told that, you know, you need to talk to an advisor or an expert to manage your finances. And I don't think anyone is addressing that particular niche, even in the UK.
There's a cultural shift as well that maybe you'll have to address, which is that we're more risk averse. We trade less. There's less of a retail investor base in the UK and Europe. So you're going to have to close that gap,
will
right?
suit Robinhood.
We do offer 5% AER on uninvested cash with, to my knowledge, is a very, very competitive rate here.
Yeah.
In dollars, with over $2 million in FDIC insurance protection. So we have products for customers that who have low risk appetite for financial risk as well, and I think we can serve their needs. But I think there's two things we do exceptionally well in the U.S. that carry over in the UK, despite any cultural differences. People in the UK love easy-to-use, compelling mobile interfaces, and they love getting the best possible economics on investing and other financial services. And I think these two things have been the cornerstones of Robinhood product design and development. We have really a beautiful, our customers love the beautiful, almost magical quality of the Robinhood experience, and they appreciate the fact that they're getting industry-leading economics. And when we talk to customers in the UK, there's a lot of enthusiasm over bringing these things to this market.
Has crypto bottomed, do you think? And is it worth still being in the crypto space given what's happened with the likes of Binance and FTX?
Again, Robinhood are very responsible when they choose what crypto to cover, and they give you your own crypto wallet, despite those that are trying to say on Reddit and StockTwits and places like that, they don't have a wallet. They do have a wallet. I have it, and it's great. And there's no fees, and you can share crypto with each other. I can't wait for the guys in the UK to get crypto wallets, and I'll be able to share and gift with each other without any fees at all here on YouTube for, like, you know, super chats and stuff like that. It's a great way to move money around. Robinhood account to Robinhood account, and hopefully it'll be US to the UK. You can move crypto for free because it's all on their service, just moving in and out for free. And let's hope, and no one does that. Coinbase don't do that. No one does that. That would be great.
Or is that an opportunity for Robinhood to take market share?
I think in the long run, it's certainly an opportunity.
Robinhood 10:06,
it's good for the industry
pumping now.
to have unscrupulous actors weeded out and kind of falling off, because I think in order for the industry and the technology to become truly globally accepted, there has to be a foundation of regulatory compliance, and it has to be integrated more and more into the traditional financial system and help solve real problems for people. So Robinhood continues to build crypto technology and be a leader there. We've been pleased with the growing market share we've been seeing in the US, even through the winter. And as you probably know, in the UK, we're not launching with crypto. We're very focused on US shares and the high interest product.
It's not
with
going to
no
come straight
FX
away.
Fees. But we are also expanding in the EU, and we will have crypto available in the EU in the coming weeks.
And last one on volumes for the business overall, particularly with the US. What are volumes looking like in terms of trading volumes? Are they starting to turn around?
Crypto in the EU in a few weeks.
In Q3 was that we've seen market share continuing to increase.
10:08 now on
across
Robinhood.
All the assets that we offer, equities market share, options market share, both increased year over year and 3 quarters sequentially. So it's a little bit hard to disentangle from the data, as higher rates have caused the overall trading environment and volumes to decrease. But we're using that as an opportunity to both diversify our business away from trading and grow market share and consolidate, because we know we're in a cyclical industry. Things ebb and flow, interest rates change all the time. So we have to diversify to take advantage of the current environment that we're in. But we're also continuing to invest in the core business of trading, because when the cycle turns in the other direction, we think we'll be excellently positioned to benefit from that and consolidate our leadership even more.
Looking fantastic, looking really good for Robinhood now. 10:10. My portfolio is breaking all-time highs again today. Look at this. Despite Virgin Galactic being down, my overall portfolio 10:12. It's going now. Look at this. 65,000. My all-time high was 66,000, and we've lost $2,000 on Virgin Galactic. So I'd actually be at 67 right now if we were still up on Virgin Galactic, and it is starting to recover. So there's Robinhood. This is my Robinhood account coming to the UK probably today. I'm going to be the first in the world to get it. If you want to join me and be the first to get Robinhood, let me give you the link in the live chat. I'm making this video during a live show. Here is the link above my head, link down in the description, and I'll put more information over there, over here as well. Let me just bring up Robinhood one final time, and you can see how it is really going now. This is my Robinhood account. I'm live on Robinhood up to 10 hours a day, every day. Look at this now. It's a 4 to 6x. I've said it time and time and time again. For a year and a half now, I've been buying it lower. I bought the bottom of it, and now it's a $40 stock. There we go. Robinhood. If you are a shorter, if you have tried to spread false information, if you got your fingers burned from GameStop, my suggestion to you would be stop listening to people on YouTube that make up silly stories. And here on my channel, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm the world piano man, an entertainer who has toured the world and now trying to bring the most honest channel on YouTube TV to the whole world. I have members in 46 countries. And everything here is true and honest. Start doing your own research. Start studying financial markets. Start reading the balance sheet. And you can then make informed decisions and not bad ones following the lazy people that try to take advantage of you and make money from you. The only ones who made money on all of that rubbish that you spread are the people that spread it. You always lose, and you are going to get short squeezed, and Robinhood is going to $40, 100%, no doubt about it. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, and each other. All right. Great. Look at this. Absolutely awesome. Great interview there with, and thank you very much. I believe it was someone here said, I told you, Bernard Foxton. Yeah, Bernard Foxton alerted me of that. Thank you. Really do appreciate it. All right. Now then, we've got a review to do, and we've got to get out of here because we've got our competition to launch. This is our Virgin Galactic results so far, 92.5%. Screw it, let's do it. 40 votes, 16 likes, 8 reposts. This is phenomenal. This is the fastest review, the fastest poll I've ever done. The most engaged poll. The Lucas Aids, the members are all over it. Here is the link to my X account if you want to get involved in that poll. The question I'm asking you, Virgin Galactic shares crashed due to Sir Richard Branson's comments. We had a great success with our recent petition. Should I invite Richard for an interview and petition him to reconsider his position on space? 92.5% said yes. I need you all to repost, all to like, all to comment. Don't be one of those that don't do it. Don't sit on your ass and do nothing. Get involved. Screw it. Let's do it. Let's get involved, and let's see how this poll turns out. If it turns out the majority want me to get to work, I will get to work on your behalf. That is what's going to happen. The rest is up to you. Okay, portfolio is green. We're looking very, very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic is trying to go up now. It's holding that level at 190, 180, 190. I'm still up 21%. I'm not selling a single share. Palantir is going up. Gold has gone down. S&P is going back down. Amazon had a dip this morning. Too expensive though. Apple's going up. NEE is going down. Enphase is going up again. 109 now. 109. Look at this. I bought Enphase at the bottom. I'm now up 7.63, $1,100. I've got $17,000 worth of Enphase energy. Can you believe it? Coca-Cola going back up. J&J just hovering around at the moment for its next position. But I'm up now, 2.42, $25,000 of it. Kenvue down, Chevron down, Tesla 2.76, very nice indeed. I'm up 6% now. Cybertruck doing great around Texas at the moment. Rivian, McDonald's, Google, too expensive. I'm not buying it. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, too dear. Tilray Brands, rubbish. The markets are pumping and Tilray Brands is rubbish. Robinhood is now 10.11. I'm up 16% now. Absolutely great. Those of you that sold it last night, how do you feel now? Why did you sell it just on the day it's about to launch in the US? I understand what you're saying. You're probably going to say to me, buy the rumor, sell the news. But you've not looked at the financials of the business, how the business is going to make money. Again, I don't buy stock prices. I buy businesses. Buy a business, not a stock price. Robinhood is going crazy now. We're up nearly 6% now, 10.11. Instagram is leading broker in the UK. IG is a leading broker in the UK with and only worth £7. Right. Well, again, Paul Knowles. It depends how many shares are outstanding. So at the end of the day, I've not looked at IG, to be honest. Anyway, I think that'll do now. Let's have a quick look at where we are. We've got 79 watching. If everyone can tap the like button, we've got a review to do. So let's get straight to it. 12,390. Whoa! 12,405. 12,405. Let me check my Robinhood account. Let me see if I'm in the UK yet. Not yet. I'm checking every few minutes. I've got information coming from Robinhood all the time. Let me check. We've had 412 during the show. What's being searched the most? Virgin Galactic is being searched. 9,000 views right now. Okay. Anything to update on Stir Fry and Martini didn't join us on Discord, so I can't upgrade your accounts. General chit chat, mad money. Crag, I like it. I'll look at that later. I love I love it. Have a mad. Can you buy that? Hang on. Can you buy that? General chit chat. Where is it? Welcome all. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy that. I wonder if you could buy that on Amazon. Mad money. In fact, let me look at that for a minute. I wouldn't be surprised. Robin is now 10.15. Here it goes. Short squeeze. Let me just check the short squeeze interest, by the way. See how it's changed. Hood. Right. No, it's only 4% now. It's gone down. We've already had a squeeze. It's already happened. So there's only 4% left now. So no, we got no big deal, no big squeeze about to occur here. There's really nothing to get excited about. My reviews have made their way onto Robinhood. There you go. There's my $50,000 deal. There's my Robinhood analysis right there. On the portfolio, on the review, 1021. Oh, it's pumping now. Robinhood now. Oh yes, look at it go now. Look at Robinhood go now. Oh, there we go. 7%. It's going up like a bloody train now. Going up like a train. Don't you mean like a rocket? I think it's just a soundboard on the site. Might be able to download it for free. If you can find it, Crag, let me know. Amazon, Mad Money Soundboard. Hang on, let me have a look. Amazon. Let's have a look. Mad Money Soundboard. No, it's not there. I could easily make something like that, though. I could get all those sound effects, and I could put them on a button. I could do an animation. I could make it myself anyway. But anyway, let's have a look. Here we go. Oh my, yay, 17%. Woohoo! Let's rock and roll. It's rocking and rolling now. Now we're breaking records. We are on the way now. Even though Virgin Galactic is down so much. Look at this. Even though Virgin Galactic is down so much, I'm only $800 off my all-time high. So when Virgin Galactic recovers, and to be honest with you, Robinhood could do it all by itself. And it's not just Robinhood either. it's not just Robinhood. We've got everything else as well, because we've got Virgin Galactic, which is down. That's only got to go up, and I would, there's. Let me just go back to my main account. Where am I? Yes, I've lost. What was it yesterday? Two grand. We've got $2,000 to add back to Virgin Galactic, and it's trying to go up. We have got. Let's have a look. We've got Next Era Energy, that can double. There's $5,000. Enphase Energy, that's just pumping every day now. That can triple. So that would be another 30,000 on top of this if that triples. So it's at least 10 grand there. So my portfolio is already coming up to 100 grand now. Coca-Cola can go up another 3 grand. Yeah, there's 100 grand now. Johnson Johnson can double. Now we're looking like 120 grand. So we got no issues at all. Chevron, I'll be out with that, so I'll just clear margin even at a wash. Tesla, there's another 2 grand in that, at least. McDonald's, there's another 1,000 in that. We're not in Google, we're not in Microsoft, we're not in Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, rubbish. Hood, that's another there's another 8 grand there, just for a 3x. So that's easy. So I'm probably around about that. If we get just a few things happen now, by the spring, my portfolio could be somewhere in the region of $130,000. Plus the dividends, 140,000, 130, somewhere between 130, 140,000. That's quite doable. So that's exciting. That's very exciting. I think we all agree. Right. Okay. So now we need to move on and do a review. Rollo. Let me make sure I've answered all the questions. Space, Hood, yeah. Done all of that. Robinhood. I'm trying to think the best use of my time. I've got to do a review today. I'm trying to think the best use of my time. The review is about half an hour. I think it might be best to do it in the closing bell. I think it might be best to do it in the closing bell. Trying to think what's the best thing to do. Yeah. Robinhood is going to come out any minute now. I'm bound to get an email. I keep getting emails from them. No, I don't see any big drops coming on my portfolio, Sensei, at all. If anybody wants to phone in, you can. Here's the live phone-in button. Members, the phone line is open. When you see it like that, you know it's open. In fact, it's always open. My phone line is always open. Anyone can always call in and be a guest on my show. There's the invitation right there. Okay. I'm going to do the review this afternoon. I know what I'm going to do. Virgin Galactic is trying to break out now. It's holding its position. The big news today, the big news is Robinhood. No doubt about it. So, can you explain certificate? What's a certificate? What do you mean? Any news from Rocket Lab? Can you explain certificate and how it works? Certificate. I don't know what that means. Can you explain certificate? Any news on Rocket Lab? Not at this precise moment, but we've got the flight in a week or so away, I believe. And I'm in my best position I've been in, just 3% down now. I'm not buying any more. Don't need to. Plug is now recovering. That'll be in the green in a minute, I anticipate. Right. Okay. It's got to be Robinhood now. Okay, here we go. So it's 2 hours in. Hood. Hood, hang on. Can you explain when you buy certificates? I don't buy. What do you mean certificates? I don't buy any certificates. Jumper, I'm trying to answer your question, but I don't know what you mean. Can you explain when you buy certificates and how it works? I don't buy any certificates. You mean when you buy stocks? Is the sound work? Yes, the sound's working. Of course the sound's working. I'm not sure what you mean. Do I buy certificates? Right. Anyway, I need to make some Robinhood videos. Here we go. I'm going to go members only because I don't want any silly comments coming in on the videos. This is my series of videos now going out to the UK. Sensei suggested I did this, and it was a very, very good idea, as it's about to happen today. So I want the latest videos at the latest information. That's why I've left it like this to the last moment, okay? Welcome, Robinhood, to the UK. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, but I have a Robinhood account here in Dallas, Texas. And now I have an account in the UK as well. Welcome to all of my fellow Brits and Englishmen and English ladies to Robinhood. This is my real Robinhood account. I've been trading on Robinhood now for 2.5 years. And let me give you a full breakdown of how Robinhood works, how you use it, and I will be here live every single day, supporting you through the whole Robinhood experience. This is my real trades, my real money. I'm live up to 10 hours a day, every day on Robinhood, sharing with you my trades and my investments. I aim to be the most honest person on YouTube TV. I'm actually from Cornwall in England. I was voted as the world piano man. I've toured all over the United Kingdom and all over the world with my show One Night in Vegas. Many of you in the UK know me, so it's lovely to meet you all for the very first time. This is my overall portfolio. This is my Roth IRA. And this is my overall balance. I started with $5,000 2.5 years ago, and for 1.5 years, I had no income whatsoever. I only earn money now on YouTube. My touring days are over. I'm a full-time on YouTube TV, and I've grown my portfolio live on Robinhood for the world from $5,000 to where you see it today. And what I'm going to do is create a playlist of all the Robinhood information that you need to help you grow on Robinhood. First of all, welcome to the UK. Welcome to all of us who have been here in the US. I'm still based in the UK. I still have my home there, but my TV studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Why I use Robinhood? It's the best platform, bar none. I've tried them all. Robinhood allows me to invest, and it presents me the opportunity to do it without any fees, without any transaction fees. And what I mean by that is, for years I used to trade with Barclays Bank, and I used to trade with HSBC, and there was always fees involved. Well, in the United States, Robinhood have a system called payment to order flow. It's a system that is not recognized in the UK, and it allows the broker to make money from selling the trades to a middleman, if you like. It's micro trades, micro profits, but it enables the brokerage to make money from doing that. In the US, they don't. In the UK, they don't allow that system. But what Robinhood are going to do now is they're going to provide you free opportunity to trade and make money from you being a gold customer, or if you use margin, and all these things I'm going to explain. So this is my first introductory video to Robinhood. So welcome. Here's the Robinhood stock as well, which you can actually buy on Robinhood. And this is not financial advice, but this stock is going to 4x, which means it's going to go up 4 times over the next 18 months. Because they've spent all the money bringing the brokerage to you in the UK. All the expenditure has been done, and now they're just rinsing, repeating what they've done in the US to you in the UK. So the expenditure is done, and now the profits for the company are going to go up. So now you're on Robinhood, you might want to have a little look at the Robinhood stock itself. Right now, I am up. You can see if I share with you my live position. These are my real shares, my real position. I'm up 17% on Robinhood now, $684. I bought it at the bottom, even though my average isn't the exact bottom. I did buy it at the bottom, and as you can see, I'm up now, and it's going to 4x from here. This is my real trades and my real money. So I'm going to give you now a playlist and answer all your questions. If you become a member of my channel, I will answer all your questions with a video. If you want to know how the brokerage works, what is margin, what is stock lending? How do I buy stocks? How do I sell stocks? How does it work? Ask me a question as a member and I will make a video for you. Up here are all my links to my X accounts where I tell you what trades I'm making before I make them. I post them up here. All my links to my newsletter, all my socials and stuff like that. Down in the description, you'll find more links. And over here, I'll put the Robinhood UK playlist. And down here, more videos I think you will find important where I do full reviews on stocks, study the stocks for you, show you the balance sheets and all of that. Anyway, welcome UK, welcome to the party. Enjoy Robinhood. Let's all make some money together. Remember, be very, very careful when you are investing. There is risk. I've been posting it along the bottom of my ticker. But I exist here as a fellow Englishman to help you and give you the best, most honest, real information available. I'm not trying to gain subscribers or sell training programs. In fact, I have no training programs. I go live up to 10 hours a day because I just want to help people and be successful and be a support system to everybody around the world. That's what this channel is about. Welcome to you for the very first time. Let's get ready to build a family and make some money. As always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Robinhood. Let's have a look. Someone on somebody on Twitch has just made this comment. And is there someone that does something similar to Roaring Kitty 2020 stream? God, why on earth would you ask that? Why would you ask that? Roaring Kitty lied about his name to make himself rich. 99% of the people that followed him lost all their money. A handful of people made money, including him. Why on earth would you want to follow someone who pumps a stock that's got no value whatsoever, where the only winner was him and a few others? Why on earth would you follow that? I'm sorry. I cannot get involved in pump and dump schemes, gambling, false information, rubbish like that. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that, and I don't know anybody who does. And if they are doing it, I'm not interested. So I've answered your question, but why on earth would you be asking and trying to find someone who does that? I have no idea. That's ridiculous. That's the most silliest question I've ever heard. Please don't go in pursuit of that rubbish. Blimey. Okay. Let me see. Let's go. Okay, so 2 should be set up. Just trying to think how best to do this. Do I know what it offers, Jojo S? Yes, of course I do. I've used all the services in the UK. I live in the UK. I have a house in the UK. I have a business in the UK. Yes, I do, just like you, Jojo S. It's not a sales pitch. I don't work for Robinhood. Robinhood don't pay me anything. I'm just wanting to make sure that my viewers get the best information. So there we go. And I want them to know of a stock that's going to Forex. Why would I not want to share that information? It is way better than the competition. Why would I not want to share that information? So many trying to get rich overnight, willing to risk everything. It's crazy, isn't it, MSK? Can you believe that this person just asked me that? Is there someone that does something similar to Roaring Kitty? Can you believe there are still people who are asking? It's like saying, where's the local drug dealer? Isn't it? It's like saying, where's the local drug dealer? I want to see him so I can get hooked and make him rich and end up hooked on drugs. I mean, can you believe it? Can you actually believe there's somebody actually in my stream asking me, where is the local pump and dump clown? I mean, why on earth would you want to know that? It's incredible, really, isn't it? Wow. Anyway. Here I am, says Ed Spitzer. All right. I'm just trying to think, and my brain's going all over the place now because a lot of people are going to want to know how to set this up. I'm trying to think what's best to do. I've got a review to do, but I think we'll do it this afternoon. I don't know if it's best if I end the show and do it with myself. I wasn't judging you, just telling you how that sounded. I'm on your side. No need to get all Woody Allen. I know it may sound like a sales pitch, Jojo S. You're probably right. You know, I'm very passionate and very excited about Robinhood because I know it's a great investment because I've studied it. I know it's a great portfolio, a platform. I want everyone to make money. But yeah, maybe it does sound like a sales pitch. But at the end of the day, I don't get paid by Robinhood. It doesn't bother me whether everyone gets it or not. It doesn't do anything. But I do think it's a great service. No need to get Woody Allen on me. I don't even know what that means. I know Woody Allen is, but I don't know what it actually means. Anyway, should we go through our portfolio while I'm thinking what to do? I'm a bit unsure how to do it. Virgin Galactic, S&P, Amazon, Apple, NEE, Next Year Energy, down slightly, Enphase Energy up, Coca-Cola up, J&J. So it's essentially what's driving my portfolio up. Oh, Virgin Galactic, look, it's trying to break out now. We've got Robinhood now at 10.29. Look at this. I'm up 18%. It's going to go to $40. Robinhood is genuinely great. Hey, Stephen, right. Okay. Got to run, but I'll be following you all. Have a great day. John, thank you ever so much indeed. John, it's lovely to have you here. Thank you. I'm going to do a poll here. We've got a huge response to the Virgin Galactic poll. A huge response. So, hang on a minute. Notifications. Oh my gosh. Loads of followers and comments to respond to. Oh man. Wow. I've just given myself a load of work to do. Okay, then that's fine. Okay. My God. I asked for it, now I've got it, right? Oh, flipping heck. Gonna be overwhelmed now. Robinhood. Welcome UK to Robinhood. I invest and trade live every day up to 10 hours. Aim to be the most honest, trusted source on Hood. Join me live every day. Vote in our poll. Please vote, not just vote. Please vote in our poll. I predict Hood will 4x. Join me live every day on YouTube. Whoops, easy. Let me put that there. Let me open up a window here. There we go. Put that in there. Don't need that. I predict Hood will 4x. Do you agree? I predict Hood will 4x. Do you agree? Okay, let's have a look. 2x. So 2x. 3x. 4x. Or crash. Okay. 2x, 3x, 4x, or crash. There you go. What do you think? I think it will 4x. 2, 3, 4, or crash. Okay, what do you think it's going to do? All right, let's have a look. Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, and I've done Hood already, and the Lucas aids. Okay, there we go. All right, what do you think? Post. Let's post that. Okay, let's see. I'm going to give you the link. We're now at, we're up 8%, 18% now overall. There you go. There is the post on X if you want to join in there. Okay. Let me give the link to my Kicksters. There's my link to my Kicksters and my Rumblers. I'll give you the link as well. And I shall give it to my Facebook viewers as well. There you go. Okay, I think we're all good. Let's have a quick look back at the poll, see what you're voting. No votes yet. Let's give you a couple of moments. You were much quicker off the ground with Robinhood. Let's see how you do with this one. Right, we are now very much in the green. The overall portfolio is up. Let's have a look at where we are now. If we get Virgin Galactic back up again, then we're going to be all-time highs again. So that's looking really nice. You can see, if it's only Virgin Galactic, I'd be above 67. We would getting close to $70,000. That's really good. Let's go for our positions. Virgin Galactic is trying to push up and become green today. Palantir, Gold, S&P, Amazon, Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J. Oh, we need J&J to start moving again as well, and we'll be there. Chevron, I'll be out of that soon. Tesla, ooh, 7% today. Rivian, McDonald's, that's great. 4.7 now. Google, Microsoft. Wow, we've got a lot of pumps here today, but some of them don't deserve it. They don't deserve it. Wow. Okay, we got a bit of profit taking here for Robinhood, but that's not an issue to me. I see it as a 4x. As I've stated, 21% now in a week. Over the year. It's got such a way to go. There's so much sky ahead of it. It's crazy. I think Virgin Galactic is trying to push up. Something's breaking out now. What is it? I wonder if Plug is moving this morning. Plug is trying to go up. What is moving? My Coca-Cola. Oh, my Coca-Cola is rising now. We're at 6.5% now. J&J is going to go again. Oh, this is looking good. Yep, 65,380. We're starting to we're gonna get a new all-time high today. Even if Virgin Galactic goes down, it doesn't really matter. As it is now, it just doesn't matter. I can forget about Virgin Galactic for now. It can just sit there. Can you please review FSD Pharma stock? Yes, I can. Khalil, let me put that on the list. If you do a super chat, it goes to the top. But right now, it'll be on the list. Khalil Salah. Khalil Salah. Okay. And you've asked me to do FSD Farmer. Okay. It's on the list. You're very, very welcome. It's done. It's on the list. Okay. Breaking out. Robinhood. Let me see if I've just got the invitation from Robinhood yet. Looking at Robinhood. No, not yet. It's imminent. That video was 2 days ago and it was imminent. So it literally is any moment. You're very, very welcome. We're going to get off. I've got to get out the Virgin Galactic poll video and the Robinhood video, and I've got more reviews to do. I just don't know if I can continue doing it efficiently while I'm still live. I want to provide the best service, and I know everybody stays with me, which is wonderful, but sometimes I think some videos need to be made without you watching live. I don't know if you agree with me or not, but I think some should. Martini Racer, Virgin Galactic has 300,000 plus shares sitting on the bid at 193. It's purposely being held down. Every time shares get bought off the 300,000 plus, more get added immediately. Martini Racer, thank you for becoming one of our members. He joined today, actually. We're breaking out again. This is really good. Martini Racer, I would like you to share those links. And I can share that. I've got level 2 and on my account. I can show you the bids and so on. But if you can get on Discord, I gave you the invitation earlier. You can actually share, take screenshots. You can call into the show. You can do so many things. Let me give it to you. Let me give it to you again on Discord, and you can share the link, share screenshots, phone in, whatever you like. Let me give you the link there. There's Discord 3 times. If you look here, this is where I welcomed you this morning in here. So you can come in here, and then I can upgrade your account. I do it manually on the show to explain how it all works. And then you can be part of the show and share information and so on and so forth. But anyway, this is what he's talking about. Let me share with you in a very, very simple way. This is Virgin Galactic. It's starting to go up now. This is level 2. Let me share with you. This is the order book. As we can see, these are the bids and the asks. Now, you can't use this as a guide. This doesn't tell you if the stock's going to go up or down or not. It just presents an indication of what's happening. You know, what people are bidding for the stocks, what people are asking for the stocks. It doesn't suggest, it doesn't guarantee. It's very manipulated, and people that use this don't see the full picture. You need to understand that this is heavily manipulated and things are left out, but it gives you an indication. I never use this as a signal to buy anything. I buy and I sell because of my own research, not for stuff like that. All right, just to be absolutely clear. Anyway, portfolio is looking good. We're breaking. We're going to break records today. 66,000 is the all-time record. And everything is starting to break again. This is really, really good. Really, really good. We've now got gold coming back up, S&P, Amazon. All of this is too expensive though. N-phase now 110. I'm up. I was down 80% on N-phase. I'm now making $1,300 profit. This is phenomenal, but it's a 3x. It's a 3x. So I'm not going to sell it for $100. You are kidding me. That would be absolutely bonkers. People, yeah, I understand you can take profit, but don't sell cheap. It was oversold and you've got a gift. You'll never own it at $70 again. I bought it at $70. I know my average is 101, but I was in at 150. I'm not selling it here. That'd be crazy. Even at 8% margin, I really couldn't care less. It's a $300 stock, so I'm not selling it. Coca-Cola, we had a review done recently, $160, which is bonkers. Whoever said that, I say $70, 65, $70 short term, but I'm just holding for the dividends, and I don't reinvest them automatically. I, bring them into my cash. But this is great. This is storming ahead now. If we get J&J start to move, my portfolio could hit 70,000 today, which is just phenomenal. Everything, all my, my space is down, but it's being blown away by my Robinhood this morning. This is great. Right, let's do day trader of the day. Let's get out of here. I've got to make these videos, guys. I've got to make reviews. There's so much for me to do. I'm being a bit overwhelmed right now, if I'm honest. I'm not getting everything done. It's competitions to release, comments to answer. It's gone a bit nuts, right? So let's have a look. We've got nearly 9,000 views now, 12,405. Keeps rolling round every few seconds now. So let's do day trader of the day. Here we go. I'm up. What are you? 1.23%. Here we go. Let's see who wins this morning. $1.37. Congratulations, Matthew Kelly goes into the lead. Flat as a pancake, 0.1. Indie Bones, no worries. Seth, 1.37. Down 1.5. Matthew Kelly is still winning. Oh, no. Lance Strength has gone into the lead. Is that 1.58 up? Is that up or down? I'm assuming it's up, but I need you to confirm. Lance Strength, is that up? Down 0.02. Sam Connery on Facebook, 11%. This is for YouTube members. I can't. Sam, you need to be on YouTube. It's a competition on YouTube. I can't verify your account if you're over on Facebook. Evans, Buckaroony, up 1.1%, up 11.2. Sam Connery's watching on Facebook. Welcome to you, Sam. Join us on YouTube. He is up. That is at 1.58. Sam, jump into YouTube, and if you are a member here, then you'll be in our competition. But how do I follow on YouTube? Okay, let me just get rid of the timer. Let's have a look. You're on Facebook right now, are you? Where are you watching me? There he is. This is Sam. Let me give Sam the information. Sam Connery is watching. Okay, so here you are. This is you guys here on YouTube, on Facebook. This is Facebook, where you are right now. Let me give you the YouTube show. This is where I'm live every day. Let me just give you the YouTube. So let me reply to you, Julian. I'm going to like your comment. Thank you for asking. Let me give you the comment there. There's the link. Jump on in. Sam Connery. There's the link. Who else asked for it? Oh, Julian Torres. I don't see YouTube. There you go. Let me give a reply to you. If you come into YouTube, I will see you. I'm just replying to your comments, let's see. All right, Julian. That makes sense? You'll come to here. And let me come back to you now. If you click that link, you will be with us. Yes, I see. Fantastic. Click on that link, jump into YouTube, say hello, and you'll be part of the family. I will need to make a Google account. Yes, you will. It's completely free. It will say that you need to have a YouTube account. Some people get confused by that. They go, oh, I don't want to be a YouTuber. It doesn't mean that. Just go yes. You just have to have an account. It doesn't mean anything. You haven't got to go on live and do a show, but just go yes, and you'll be with me. And the other person as well, who I just messaged as well. Who was that? It was Sam Connery, Julian Torres as well. If you jump on in, you will be with me as well. All right. That's the home of our show. This is where 99.9% of my viewers are. Oh my gosh, look at my portfolio. Does it cost a fee to watch on YouTube TV? No. We do have members. 98% of our live viewers are members, but it's free for everyone. People become members because they want a service from me. They want to support the live show. I give them extra perks and benefits. But no, it's free to watch on YouTube. You don't have to be a member. You don't have to pay anything. It's completely free. Absolutely right. Okay. But the service is far, far better. Look at my portfolio. We are just about to hit a new all-time high. $66,000 from $5,000 live on the show. We're about to hit a new all-time high. We're just seconds away from doing that. 65.6. Look at that. Look at that. Let me share with you what is moving. So the winner is Lance Strength. It's a members competition. So congratulations. Lance is our winner. Thank you very much for your honest trade and give him a thumbs up. There we go. Lance Strength is our winner today. Congratulations, Lance. Very, very well done indeed. But by the way, I'm just about beating you now, by the way. Just saying. Anyway, let's see what's moving. End phase about to break 111. Let me do this now. Palantir. Whoa. Now we really are. 110, 111. Yeah, this is getting very, very hot now. 111, there it goes. I'm up 9% now. I bought it at the bottom. It's a 3x. Coca-Cola. Oh, I'm up 6.5%. Oh, I love it. This is amazing. And none of this is happening. I mean, Virgin Galactic is down $2,000. I would be nearly 70 grand now. This is really quite wild, actually. This is really quite wild. Let's see if we get our two guests come onto YouTube. We will wait. We will wait. Wow. Let me have a look. Friends. Friend request. Michael Farr. Incoming friend request. I don't know who this is. I'm going to share this with you on the screen. Who is Michael Farr? I've got a friend request on Discord. I only accept YouTube members. All right? You have to come in and be verified first of all. So if that's you, come into Discord and say, yeah, that's me, and I'll upgrade you. But I only accept friend requests and contact with people that are my YouTube verified members, just so you know. Okay. Just checking a couple of things. This is bonkers how fast this is going. Right, here's our poll so far on X. This is my X account. I'm going to give you the link to it if you've not yet voted. Here is the link. Let me give that to you 3 times so it stands out, okay? Welcome to UK to Robinhood. So I've asked you, do you think it will? I think it will 4x. We've got a crash 27%. 4x is 45%, 3x is 27%. So it looks like between 3 and 4x, we've got 40, 50, 60, 70% of the votes. So that's very, very, very bullish indeed. 27%. Still got people who just think it's always going to crash. It's just ridiculous. There. I mean, you saw what happened earlier. I had a guy come in and said, is there someone like Roaring Kitty around? I mean, you've seen the mentality of some people. They are determined to bury themselves and lose all their money. They are trying to do it. They're trying to do it in the pursuit of greed and getting rich. They're literally going to lose all their money, 100%. Martyn, you deserve to break records just like your show. Thank you. Zach, you are the greatest. Zach, have you tried the phone in? Do you want to phone in, by the way? On our new phone in. Look at this. This is our new phone in service. You done it, didn't you? Yeah, you did. I think you did on the first day, didn't you? Anyway. Or did you? Have you phoned in on this new service yet? I can't remember if you have. Live phone in, martynlucas.com/live. You can be live on the show. Anyway. I was going to wait a moment to see if our guests would join us. I can't wait forever, but I was going to wait for a few moments and see if that person did join us. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this moment to try to respond to my my comments here. A lot of people have just messaged me on X, and I always reply to my members. Let's have a look. So, they're all my reposts. They're my likes. Wow. Everyone, 14 people have liked the post. That's incredible, right? Martyn Young reposted. Bob and 3 others. Let's welcome these guests. We've got Bob here. Thanks for following me on X. We've got Ear Submit Meshram. Thank you. A civil MTech civil candidate, a PhD. Excellent. Look at that. Got some smart people following me now. Look. We've got Raymond Escura just followed me as well. And who is it? Michael Farrens. Michael Farrens, that looks like the person that messaged me on Discord. So welcome, Michael Farrens. Whoever you are, become a member on Discord and I'll upgrade your account. But that's very nice of you. Right. Matthew Kelly. Yes, we will. I reply to all of you. And the purpose of this is, if you want to grow on X, engage with somebody that will engage with you, and then you grow. As they grow, you grow. So that's why I do that. So I've replied to him. Dimitar said, yes, let's do it. So I will reply to you. I reply to all my members. And the idea is we all grow together. I'm on it. Oh, I got a phone in. Zach Zate is on the phone. Here we go. So add to the right, assign you, guess 1, add to the left. And we've got live on the show, on the road, Zach Zate. How are you, mate?
Very good. Can you hear me, Martyn?
I can hear you and see you. You're live on the show, looking great.
Wow.
Drive carefully.
Wow. Absolutely. There is traffic, so there is not much traffic here in the Bay Area. It's just standing 5 miles per hour.
Right. Lovely to have you with us today. Can you believe the portfolio today? And it's just so exciting, right? What's going on here?
Congratulations. Congratulations. You deserve it. I'm writing it and I'm telling you, that's why I'm calling. You deserve it. You've been doing a great job following those companies, talking about them, and you deserve to be holding and be part as a shareholder of a company.
Zach, it's sometimes I pinch myself, think, wow, what we started here 2.5 years ago, you know, with a handful of people watching. And now we're just a short way off $70,000 from $5,000 and 47 countries as members. And when I first started, do you know one of the things that I get the biggest thrill out of is X. Let me explain what I mean by that. X, people follow you on X because they like what you say. It's not about videos, right? It's not YouTube. It's not TikTok. They follow you because of your thoughts and what you think. And when I started on X, I had like one follower a month. If I was lucky, one follower every couple of months. And now I get a follower on X every few minutes. And I said to Leah, I said, that's amazing, because basically what people are saying is they want to know your mind. That's what X is. You're either a celebrity, like, I don't know, Kim Kardashian or Britney Spears, so they follow you for the sensationalism because you're famous, or they follow you for what you have to say, what your thoughts are. Because it's not about videos.
The media won. The news, the TV went back a little, and the media took over. The same as our situation. I rather watch you than any TV channel morning, what I used to do.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I feel so responsible. I got all these people watching me. It's like, oh my God. It's why every morning when I get out of bed, the first thing I do, I get showered and dressed, put my suit and tie on. And as I walk through what's called the magic curtain, there's a black curtain at the side. And I walk through, I walk into the world. I know when I sit down and turn the camera on, I'm speaking to the world. And it's my therapist, my physical therapist, came around the house last night. She was giving me like a massage because I got a lot of stress in my back. And she was asking me about it. And I was going, you know what? This is the greatest job in the world. I'm able to create and do what I wanted, what I love to do to the world. And I know that I've got so much responsibility now, and I can do so much. Like not just share the stories of the stocks, but we can raise money for charities. I mean, this is just the beginning. Can you imagine when we have 1 million subscribers and I do a fundraiser for Zach in Africa? We'll raise $10,000 on a show. We'll help the whole village. If someone says, can you help me in my business, like Mark Korn, and we wanted to promote his book on Amazon, then everyone downloaded his book. You remember all that? Or someone is upset, someone needs a friend to talk to. You know, we have a place where people can come. Every single person can phone in. Every single person can have a say. And I feel that we have built the most amazing experience ever. And I'm just every day. This is why I can't turn the camera off. I need to get off and make videos. I need to go and have my lunch. I've got things to do, but I just can't leave it because it's like, how can I turn the camera off?
You got 10,000 subscribers in 2 years, but you got 25% raise in like 2 months, 3 months.
I know. That the growth is just like that. And as I say, on X now, it's like a follower every few minutes. And the only reason you follow someone on X is because you want. It's not about videos. It's not about that. It's about what that person has to say. And it's like, wow, people really want to hear what I have to say. And that is just, I can't believe it, Zach. I wish I could, and I will. I hope we get a chance to meet up. I want to buy everybody a beer, give everybody a hug and say thank you for the best journey of my life. We'll do that sometime, Zach, right? We'll get together sometime.
So much fun. So this is my news. So I'm traveling this weekend from California to Texas to spend a month with my in-laws. on my way, always, every year, I'm making stops in New Mexico. Roswell was the UFO city last year, Grand Canyon, Hoover Dam. Every year, this year, I've decided to stop at the Spaceport America in New Mexico. It's about an hour up from El Paso. For you also, shouldn't be much drive to get there, but to stop and make a schedule, I called the company and left a message. Right away, AM, I called again. The lady answered and she told me she did receive the message. But I do need to go with the third party to schedule the tour. The tours of the third party taking place on Friday and Saturday. It's about $55 a person, about 4 hours, and I wasn't able to do it on the way to Texas. I probably gonna do it on the way back on the 5th or the 6th. I need to call them back again today, but I'm not gonna give up, and I'm gonna do that trip into the spaceport. And that's my update. There's somebody answered there. They're very nice, and I feel again very connect to be and search and see inside what the company have to offer.
So this is big news for our channel then. So you're going to Spaceport America. If there is signal and there is Wi-Fi and there is whatever, can you phone into the show and we'll do a live interview from Spaceport America?
I'm trying to schedule it to the Friday. So hopefully continue my Friday phone in. Hopefully it will be working with the schedule of the tour. You cannot just drive in. You must have a group tour to come from about 4 hours of a day. So yes, absolutely, I will take pictures. If it's live, I would love to definitely go. If not, I will put a video. If it's on Discord, I would love to share with everybody.
Whatever time it is that is convenient with you, I will be live and in the studio to match up with you. So whatever time it is, I will go live with you. I think the world would love to hear you talk from Spaceport America and, you know, have some fun. It'd be great.
I'm planning on it, and I'm very serious to call back today and put the schedule once again to January. It won't work for me on the way there. It will work on the way back. And of course, driving, it's give me the opportunity to stop there. I would love to share.
Brilliant. Sensei, thank you for sharing that information with me. I'm going to get back to the show. I'm going to put this out as a video telling the world what we're trying to do. We're going to get one of our members, our family, our friends, who's also an investor in Virgin Galactic at Spaceport America, and technical challenges permitting, you'll call in and we'll make a live interview from Spaceport America. How cool is that? I'm loving it, Zach.
That is awesome. And again, thanks to you. It's great to keep follow, and congratulations.
Zach, thanks for calling in.
Congratulations for your achievement.
Thanks, mate. I appreciate
Lovely
it.
day to all.
Drive safe. Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye.
There we go. There was Zach Sate, one of our investors, calling in. Wasn't that fantastic? So there you go. You've heard it first there. Virgin Galactic, we're going to have a live phone-in, obviously, if technical challenges permit. But that's going to happen it sounds like the 5th of January, a month from now. Hopefully, we're going to be there with Zach Sate. Maybe I'll just get a flight and nip down there and meet him down there. Maybe I should do that. Anyway, join us for that Virgin Galactic special from the Spaceport America itself. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Hey, listen up, folks. I've got a video coming up right now, a live phone call from one of my investors in his car planning to drive down to Spaceport America. We're going to have a live interview, technical challenges permitting. We're going to do that. Now listen to the video, and we're going to hear from Zach Sate, who's in his car, and he's planning to drive down to Spaceport America. Now on with the video. All right, I'll cut that there. I'll put that together. How cool is that? Right. What you offer by way of fundamentals is absolutely invaluable, Martyn. Thank you. Paul Knowles, it's my pleasure. Hi, Tiro. Greetings out on the road to Zach. Yes, very bullish, Martyn, 95% retail. Me, Mike, Zach, and MSK, we did it. Martyn, you deserve the break records just like your show. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Where are we? Let's go through our positions. I was just replying to our comments here on X. Let's hope he joins us. If he does, he will further forever support space. We've been giving, I'm on it. This is about the interview with Richard Branson. I'm on it, Jose. I'm on it. There you go. What else have I got? Any more comments? This needs to be done. An interview with Sir Richard would be great for the show. It would be fun. Yes. I'm answering all my questions on X. Any one of my members, I always reply to your questions. Liam Laffey. Vince is bullish. I think it'd be interesting if he called into my... it'd be interesting if he called into... Oh, we've got someone here. Vince is bullish to call into my show. There you go. There's Vince is bullish. He wants to call into my show. I love that. Massive family talks to daily as a big investor. Rocket Lab. Yes. Yes. Please reach out. Please reach out to him for me. I need my researchers team on the ground. I can't do all the invites myself. To the moon. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. My portfolio is going up again. Let's hope so. The phone line is open. If anybody wants to call in, you can. Who else have I got to reply to? Screw it. Let's do it. Yes. Yes. I'm loving it. Okay. Yes, I'm loving it. If you know about that, you know about it's my mug that I've got. Let's have a look. Have I replied to all the comments? Looks like I have. All the reposts. Oh my gosh. Everyone's reposting, everyone's liking, everyone's sharing. I've replied to everybody. Have I got any more notifications to reply to? Jose Quintana liked that and reposted it. Look at that. Portfolio to 100,000 end of the year will be quicker if the portfolio has a ticket to ride Virgin Shuttle for space. Thank you. And good luck to you. The best way to grow on X is engage with someone that will engage with you, folks. The portfolio needs to ride the spaceship to the moon. I'm on it. I'm loving it. Okay. I'm loving it. Okay. They've deleted that post. Okay. I can't reply because they deleted that. So discard that post there. That post has been deleted. Okay. Right. I think another one. Okay. There we go. I've replied to everybody. So everyone's been replied. Anything on stock quits this morning? I tell you what we're going to do now, we're going to crush the shorters. All right. This is what we're going to do. This review here is extremely popular. This poll is becoming one of our most popular polls. We've never grown a poll this quickly, so quickly, and completely decisive of where you want the stock to go. So what I'm going to do, this is for those of you that really want to act and really get involved and become part of the Lucas Age, the army. Let me share this copy link here onto StockQuits. This is where the shorters live and all the false information lives, and we can crush that literally with this post. I'm going to post this now, and there's the poll, right? Okay, there's the poll. Here we go. Let me give you this SPCE. We got to do this symbol. SPCE. Virgin Galactic investors are taking big action today. All shorters beware. Okay, SPCE. See the action on X. Okay, that there. And we're going to put in SPCE, Virgin Galactic, Martyn Lucas Investor, and my tag, of course, is the Lucasades. All right, there you go. Extremely bullish, and post that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give all of you the link to that, and I want you to jump all over StockTwits. I want the shorters to fear and start buying and panicking and increasing their short positions if they want. I really don't mind. So there we go. Let me give you the link to StockTwits. Copy link to post. Here it is in the chat. 1, 2, 3. There you go. In the chat for you. There it is. And what I want you to do, same as you did on X, is repost, like, comment, and let's put the fear of God in all of those on StockTwits. They're going, oh my God, this is gaining momentum again. We're going to end up getting stuff. Remember up and last time we did the poll, right? Would you be interested in coming to the show for a chat? Oh, hang on. Would you be interested replying? Would you be interested in coming to the show for a chat? I would love to talk with you and share your stories with the world. We have members in 46 countries. You will be, we got a celebrity who wants to come on my show. We will be most welcome. There you go. Welcome. There you go. Awesome stuff. I think I've caught up with that. StockTwits. We've not had a response. You haven't done it yet. Let me just go back into there. Oops, hang on a minute. I'm getting 10 things opened at once here. Oh, there we go. Here come the like, Giselle 2419. Thank you very much indeed, Giselle. Thank you for following and engaging there. Appreciate that very much indeed. Good luck to you. All right. Let me make sure I've answered all my questions on Facebook. I have. Twitch. Rumble. Everyone's done on Rumble. Kick. Everyone's done on Kick. Oh, we got 11 followers now. We're trying to get 75 so I can become a partner on Kick. If you've not yet followed me on Kick, I just need 65, 64 to become a partner. I've only started doing it a couple of days ago. The home is YouTube, but if you want to be part of that, then you most certainly can. Great, you're already posting on StockTwits. Brilliant, thank you. Martin, as I've already requested Sidhu, but another member has also requested, can I change my review to Nokia, please? Let's have a look. You can have as many requests as you want, Paul Knowles. You're a member of the channel. It's not limited to one. You can have as many as you want. It's a service I provide. Let's have a look. Paul Knowles. Paul Knowles, Sido, there we go. You want Sidhu. Yes, you can also have, I'll add you to the list. You want Paul Knowles. Paul Knowles wants my review to, check my review to Nokia, please. Nokia. Yep, you can have that. I've added that to the list. My work computer will not let me disable restricted mode so I can view the live there. So I have to settle for watching on here. My work computer will not let me disable restricted mode. Oh, okay. No idea why you should have a restricted mode. I've never heard of that before. But how long is the queue for a review? T.O. Roll. The next review is happening today, which is for Rallo. He's next. You can always jump to the top if you do a super chat. But the list now, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There's 27. So there's about 27 days out. I might be able to do a couple a day and try to reduce that, but it's at least 2 weeks out. But I can start putting them to the top if you do a super chat and do them straight away. So I'm going to end the show now so I can put the other videos out, and then I'm going to come back this afternoon and do HOFV live in the show. All right? Okay. Oh my God. I've just had 4. Hang on. We just had more follows in the last couple of seconds. I can't believe it. I want to welcome another guest here, Mehmet. We already had our friend here, Bob RC. We had ER Summit, our PhD, Raymond, and Michael Farrons. But here is Mehmet. Welcome to you. Blimey. We have to start really putting some new policies in place here. For a super chat, can it be very short? Lance Strength, if you super chat, it will go to the top of the list. The top super, and it'll be done today. It'll be done in the closing bell. Rollo has bid $10 for his. If you bid more than $10, you'll be first. He will be second. If you bid below $10, you'll be second, and you'll be done tomorrow morning. If not today, I might try and do 2 today in the closing bell. I might try and go longer and do 2. Oh no, I'd like it instead of Sidhu. You'd like it instead of Sidhu. Well, I'm still going to do Sidhu for John Grandfors. And so I'm still going to do Sidhu, and I'm going to do Nokia. So I'm going to do both. And as you didn't do a super chat, it doesn't go up the list. It just gets added to the bottom anyway. So there we go. Lance Smith, for a super chat, it can be very short. Yes, if you do a super chat, it goes to the top. Virgin Galactic 189. Virgin Galactic is just bringing my portfolio down. I'd be so far up right now. Question, did you analyze Archer Aviation today? Archer Aviation, we've just done it. We've just done Archer Aviation. If you look on my full playlist here of all of my reviews, Archer Aviation is here. I've just done it. Let me give you the link to it. There is Archer Aviation. All right. So if you'd like it, I will give you the link to it right now. Here is Archer. We're not trying to find out as if it's a great company or not. Is it the best you? There is Arch Aviation. If you'd like me to give it to you, here is the link. And we can review stocks again. I'll give it you 3 times so it stands out. There you go. There's Arch Aviation if you would like. There's the full playlist of all my reviews. For those of you that don't know where the playlists are, if you go on the homepage of the channel and look down on the homepage, you will see my upcoming live streams, all in order. The show's like a TV guide, and there are all my Alpha Spread stock reviews right there. And if you want the service, some of the software that I use, all my members will get a lifetime discount, which basically gives you my membership for free. And you'll pay less than anybody else. Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Jim Cramer, none of them have the discount that I have with Alpha Spread. I have the very best service at the very best price, and no one will ever have a price cheaper than me. Yes, but John is after me. Okay. You're saying yes, but John is... I see what you mean. You want me... I get what you mean. I understand now what you mean. You were up the top there. I've got you. Okay, I will put you in the list in your place, which is 5th from the top. I understand now what you're saying. I've added you to the list at the top. I get it. You are 5 down the list. That makes sense, Paul. Now I understand. Sorry for the confusion. Right. Robinhood is going up again. Enphase Energy's now 110. Blimey. I want to thank my 2 Lucas aides here who have jumped in on Stock Twits. We've got Giselle 2419 who has just liked the Virgin Galactic action video post on X, and Military Bros has just liked it as well. Thank you very much indeed for that. Thank you for getting involved. We've now got 3 likes on it. Make sure that you repost it to your army as well. Make sure you post it to even if you've got a small Stock Twits account, it doesn't matter. Get involved, because we are all going to grow together and all become, our family is going to become the best, strongest, most engaged online TV show in the world. And when we speak, the world will listen, okay? Because we are together. Moonbag Holder has also just liked it. Fantastic. Make sure you all repost and like. Not just like's too easy. Repost. That, because then we engage with your audience and we grow exponentially. All right, you understand what I'm saying? All right. Cheers. Paul Knowles, you're very, very welcome. Right. This is great. This is really, really great. The overall portfolio is looking extremely good. There we go. And 65,000. We're just a couple $100 now off an all-time high. Bearing in mind, Virgin Galactic is down $2,000. So I would now be at just about 68,000. So it's incredibly strong. My portfolio is incredibly strong. This is really good. And it's going up. We might even make it without Virgin Galactic in a minute. And then then Virgin Galactic is free. I don't even need Virgin Galactic to move. It won't matter. It won't matter. Wow. I want to thank some people just coming in here and done this. We've got Simeon has just liked the Virgin Galactic post. Martin Young has done it, and CD World has done it as well. Thank you for all of you who have engaged this morning. Repost it onto your accounts, and this is brilliant. We've got some real action going on here this morning. Right, I've been sitting here too long. I need a break. Let's have a quick. Right. What are we going to do now? Okay. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. If you've ever seen this before, this happens sometimes. I'm going to end the show on TikTok. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you back in a bit. Thank you very much for your support. And I'm going to do something you see from time to time. Doesn't happen very often. But from time to time it happens. Okay, so from time to time, when the stocks are exploding like this and everything is looking really, really good, I'll take a little break. Rebalance my mind. If you've read in the About section of the channel, it says to you that Martyn Lucas invests while sharing his music at the piano and stuff like that. And right now, I'm going to take a little step back for a moment because the portfolio is breaking records. We've got huge movement now on everything. It really is quite incredible. And I want to gather my thoughts, if I'm perfectly honest. So just for a few moments, I'm going to recalibrate myself a little bit. Does that make sense? Does it make sense to anybody? Probably not. Probably talking rubbish. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. We're going to say now we've ended the show. The main show's finished. I'm just going to keep the chart right there, leave the information on the screen, and take a short little break to contemplate and to reevaluate of where we are right now. All right, it's all going well. Just gonna relax a little bit and just sit back, take some time to gather my thoughts and where we go next. All right. Hiya Ben, how you doing? Ben Sharples, anyone had a look at Palladium? I've not had a look at that yet. I'm just taking some time off for a few moments. We've ended the main show. Everything's going great. Our Lucasades are out there reposting on X and StockTwits. And I'm just gathering my thoughts as we continue to climb, breaking records. Just chilling out with some music. Okay, I'm feeling good now. Portfolio's rising, breaking records everywhere. It's time to just continue the work on one of my own songs. This is how I write songs. I get inspiration from you. Here's one of my own songs. Here we go. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Song to fresh a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. That I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Two and a half years ago, I started on a journey here. I wanted to reach the world. We built a family, the Lucasades, so it's known. We're Virgin Galactic by our side. We follow the music, we follow the stocks every day. We're here for each other in the most special way. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. An army of people the Lucas 8, as it's known. Do you need a place to call home? Do you need a place to have a voice? Do you need a place to share your thoughts, your mind, your soul? Then this place is there for you. That I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The song's fresh, a new beginning. All right, we're just chilling out. We've been going since 7:30 this morning, and we're just taking some time to chill out. We're having a great day. We're making money. The Lucas Aids are all sharing the posts on X. We're inviting Richard Branson to join us on the show. We're having a petition. You've all decided to support that, so that's all going crazy. We've got Robinhood exploding now, landing in the UK today. I'm going to be the first person to get it. So I've given you the link to get it. You'll be getting it today or tomorrow. It's just about to happen any moment. The Robinhood stock is up. My portfolio is up. And Virgin Galactic is down $2,000. And yet my portfolio is up. This is just the main account. I'm nearly $70,000 now overall. And if it wasn't for Virgin Galactic, I'd be at 70 grand, which is great. So we just thought we'd chill out for the moment. And I made up a song about you guys live on the show. Just did that. I love it. All right. Ben Sharples is here. He says, talent. Antonio De La Cruz says, I'm back. And Chris Pickering, trades today found amazing one record. Great company. Check it out. Trades today found amazing one record. What company's that? Paul Knowles says, fantastic original song, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Antonio's loving the music. Great. All right, let me go back to the studio a minute. Let me go back to the main part of the studio. Okay. All right. Let's turn that around. Turn the camera back round this way. Okay. Let's check in on our accounts. Great music. Yeah, I feel good now. Just sometimes need to do that. Virgin Galactic, just hovering. It's probably going to go sideways now for a few months. I wouldn't be surprised. Unless we can get some action, which we will. Apple, NEE, Enphase, 110, Coca-Cola, J&J starting to go green now, Kenvue, Chevron. Chris Pickering. Chris Pickering, you are a member of the channel. Do you want to... do you want to... Great company, check it out. Are you asking for a full review? If so, say so, and I'll put it on the list. Jose Quintana says, I wish I could write a love song. Sounds like my life. I split up with my fiance and was always very low and found a home with the Lucas Age. Right now, great song. Great song. Hey, Jose, thanks a lot, mate. That's cool. Thank you very much. Maybe I should record it properly for you. You're one of my gold members, aren't you? Jose, let me just have a look. I think Jose is one of my gold members. Let me have a look. Let's have a look. Is he one of my gold members? See your members. Filter. Current level. Gold. I think he is. He is. Yes, he's one of my gold members. KK2 is. Jason Fallon's a gold member. These are my gold members, by the way. If you want to see, these are my top members. Look at this. Jose Quintana. These are my... Is it KK2? Is a gold member. Has been for 20 months. KK2, 20 months, a gold member. Jason Fallon from Australia, he's a gold member. And he's been for 14 months. We got Thomas Calise, who's been a gold member for 5 months. And we've got Jose Quintana, who's been a gold member for 2 months. These are my gold members here. These are the premium. And Jose gets lots of other benefits and perks as a gold member. And maybe I should record that song and send it out to Jose as a special gift as a gold member. I always try and do things extra special for my gold members. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Thank you very much. And we've now got, if I show you how many members we've got 225 members. 98% of live viewers are members. 225. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Amazing. Let's have a look. As long as you're loving it. That's right. Great music. Thanks, Chris. REC is the ticker symbol. Yeah, do a review. Okay, so Chris Pickering. Chris Pickering. He wants REC. REC is the ticker. Let me just name, what's the name of the company? Record PLC, the UK-based Record Financial, right, Record. Okay. PLC. There you go. It's on the list. Yeah, do a review. Almost everyone is a member thanks to Bill. That's not quite the case, Prenumel. Yes, Bill has gifted a lot of memberships, but I'm talking about the members who the number I'm showing you is the numbers of members who've actually bought their memberships and renewed their memberships. Not everyone that Bill buys gives it to renews. That's the members that actually renew and that actually are paid members. So yes, Bill is our sugar daddy. Bass Saint Antoine, he is. Almost everyone is a member. Thanks to Bill. No, that's not the case at all. The ones that Bill buys, they don't all renew. But the number I shared with you there is the actual number we've got of renewable members. Amazon, Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola. Wow, this is getting really good. Where's Robinhood sitting now? All right, I'm going to have to end the show because I've got to get the videos done before the closing bell. So I want to thank everyone for taking part in a bit of music for me. I understand that, but still, yes, he is. He's been such a support over this Christmas period. In December, he's been giving memberships to so many people. I hope everyone renews that, and thanks, Bill, because you get so many perks. And he's a retired war veteran, so it's very, very kind of him to do such a thing. But anyway, that's it from me. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you very much for being here. We're going to roll the credits. Let's see what we've got here today. Roll the credits. Stars of our show. And lots of followers. These aren't real. We had a fake attack earlier on and I just deleted it and crushed it. So ignore that. If we get a fake attack, I just ignore it. Michael Farr is still over there on Discord. If you confirm that you are a member in the Welcome All channel, I will upgrade your account. These are all the new members, but they're not real. Sad individual people think it's great to be able to do such a thing. I'll just disconnect from Twitch if this continues, and be done with it. I haven't got time for all this. We're trying to get down to the real subscribers, but if this continues, I will just turn it off. Subscribers, these are our real subscribers. That looks like from Russia. And Bobby and Douglas, members, Stir Fry Rambo, Martini Racer, Sora, N-Flight, Khalil Sahil, inbound. Super chat, Sensei Crypto. Thank you very much indeed for all of your super chat support to the show today. That's it from me. I'm going to get off. I've got some videos to do. Robinhood is still going. We're now at 10:30. Look at this. We're at 10:30 now. It just keeps on going. To be honest with you, Virgin Galactic is not having any impact on my portfolio at all. It doesn't make a difference. I'm going to break records even without Virgin Galactic today. That's what a diverse portfolio is about. Thanks for you today. Later, Marco Lucido just subscribed. Thank you. Thanks for today. Later. Yep, I'll see you all in a bit. That's it. I'll be back for the closing bell. Look out for the premieres. I will do a review this afternoon of HOFE. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. Go Lucas Aids. The army is mobilizing. Bye-bye for now.